Hello, everybody. Didn't think I was going to make it tonight. Y'all might still hear some thunder boom booms and see some big old flashes, but that's nothing I can do about that. And if the power goes out, it's Jerry's fault. Come on, guys. Come on. I gave them some treats earlier because they would not wait. You know, they're on their routine now. And, but I didn't give them many. I didn't do the whole, you know, cover every surface thing. Go at it, Billy. Go get your treats. No, there's no treats on my desk. Okay, maybe there's a few. Oh, we might have a more quiet, intimate crowd tonight because not everybody knows to look for the Judge Ava logo. So, speaking of which, oh, excuse me, she got stuck out in the storm for a little bit. Because I was napping and I tied her up and I laid down for a nap and I didn't know it was going to start. And it started. And I went outside and all of a sudden I hear, and I'm like, oh my God, my baby. She was fine. She's got a doghouse. She doesn't like to use it, but she likes to put herself underneath my ramp. But she's all wet now. She got a bath. She's okay though. Billy, what's up, buddy? Oh, come on, baby. Come show everybody your pretty clean fur. It is, yes, and it's been storming here for hours now. It's not been fun. But I love the storms, but these guys don't. So when I say it's not been fun not because of the storms, because I love them. It's not been fun because these guys have been going crazy. Oh, come on, baby. Yeah, there you go. You got crumbs all over my elbow rest from Charlie. You guys are so cute. Hello, Jerry Matthew Boyd. Hello, Nana Laura. Hello, Wolf Lore Lover. Hello, Eileen and Carlin. Hello, Buzzy Bug. Oh no. You really should go see a doctor about all that. That's not good. Yes, drink lots and lots and lots of water. Hello, Linda Adams, sweetie. Aww. Snitch gave Ava a kiss earlier. It was so cute. I posted the picture in Discord and I posted it on the YouTube channel. Hello, Spider-Man. Yes. It's the right thing to do. Aw, well, you get to watch my babies. You get to watch my fur babies being big babies, right? Hello, Joey Bag of Donuts. You are so absolutely sweet. Thank you. So, tonight we have to thank Wolf Lore Lover, or not Wolf. Sorry, I just put his comment up on the screen, so I that's what was in my brain. Lone Wolf Soul, both Wolfies. Yeah, she's scrounging. So I saw an update in Bellingham, and that's one that I can't get on my own. Well, I can sometimes get it, but I have to get it a different way, and it failed. I was not happy it failed, but it failed. So I reached out to Lone Wolf, and he got it for me because he has magical powers that I don't have. And no, it's not one that he was planning on running it. It's something that I specifically asked him to get for me, because I saw an update, and then there was other good stuff in it. So, so I don't think he's played any of it, because he normally doesn't go to this court. But you guys will recognize the guy. And there's a very, very passionate attorney there today, Mr. Powers. I don't think we've seen much of Mr. Powers before. But Mr. Powers, he's got some passion for his clients. He seems like a very zealous attorney. Hello, Jenny Green. All right, let's all cross our fingers and hope that I don't lose power. I waited until the storm kind of calmed down a little bit, and so it's not pouring rain, like there's not buckets coming from the sky like there was, but there still has been, on and off lightning flashes. So hi, Lucy, honey. Oh, it's so good to see you. Oh, I can't guarantee that, Eileen.
Good morning, Mr. Powers. Do you have a matter ready to call?
I do, Your Honor. I'm going to appear as a friend of the court with Mr. Cooley.
That would be Leland Cooley, cause number 6A0324485. Good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor. It's my understanding that Mr. Cooley does not have counsel at this point in time. I also understand that Mr. Cooley may be a conflict for North County Public Defense. And if you take a look at the docket notes, it clearly states if the defendant does not have counsel at the next hearing, he may address release conditions.
You guys remember all that conflict counsel stuff that Bellingham was having, where they were assigning attorneys and then finding out that the public defender couldn't represent that client, and so they would reach out to conflict counsel, but they have no conflict counsel? This is one of the guys that is running into that situation.
So I believe that'll be an argument that we make in a couple minutes here.
Okay, well, a public defender was appointed. I know that there was a notice of appearance that was filed in this court for Mr. Cooley by Miles Martin on June 26th.
Yes, Your Honor, but if you just scroll a little further down in the docket notes, you will see it clearly states if the defendant does not have defense counsel at this hearing, we may address release conditions.
He does. Yes, so he does have counsel. Mr. Martin entered a notice of appearance.
He does not have counsel at this time, Your Honor. He is a conflict for North County Public Defense. I just spoke with the representative from North County here in the courtroom, and he said, look, Mr. Cooley is a conflict. We cannot touch this case.
Okay. And so then he needs to withdraw from the case. He's currently the assigned counsel in this. So he can represent that to the court if he likes, but he has not withdrawn from this case yet.
Mr. Miles is not present. There is a representative from North County here present in the courtroom. Okay. Mr. Miles, unfortunately, is not present in the courtroom. I'm appearing as a friend of the court today.
Okay. Has this been referred for a conflict? Or has the conflict been determined?
And I did speak with the representative, and he indicated that a conflict referral has not been sent out to a conflict counsel firm. So at this point, Mr. Cooley is here in custody without counsel.
Not according to the records, but I'll let you make your pitch. The records indicate that he is represented by North County Public Defense.
There's a difference, Your Honor, between...
Mr. Powers, you're here on pretrial. What is the request for the case?
Well, the request for the case, I'm asking for Mr. Cooley to be released because as this court has stated...
And what else are you requesting on the case today?
Your Honor, if I can just articulate an argument without being interrupted, I would certainly appreciate that. I'm trying, but my flow is being interrupted. If I can please argue on behalf of Mr. Cooley, I'd appreciate that.
I understand that, sir, but are you asking to set trial dates, or are you asking for a continuance in this case?
Well, Your Honor, I'm asking for a continuance, and I'm asking for Mr. Cooley to be released.
Okay.
Mr. Cooley is at risk of losing his housing. He's got 2 cars that are impounded. Okay, he's working with the LEAD program. He's on probation out of district court. He has indicated to me that he will report to probation if he's released today. And like I said, the docket notes clearly state that if he does not have assigned counsel, if you scroll down, if he does not have assigned counsel by this court date, we can argue for release. And he's in custody. He does not have counsel actively assisting him on this case. He needs to be released, Your Honor. Okay, he has sat in here long enough. He's at risk of losing his entire life. His housing, his cars, everything at this point. And so he has indicated to me that he will appear in court when he's required to, and that he will abide by every court order that this court that is active at this time. And we're also asking for a continuance on the pretrial matters. Thank you.
All right. Thank you. And what is the next date? City, like to be heard?
Yes, sir.
Go ahead.
Couple things. One, does appear he has an attorney. So I don't think that that's necessarily an issue right now. He does have an attorney. If he needs to withdraw, that's a whole other thing. But he hasn't yet. He has prior harassment, 9 prior violations of no contact order, DV, 3 prior assault for DVs, 1 prior assault for non-DV and assault third. He has the criminal history that would support this bail recommendation. So the city's asking for the bail to be maintained. However, I did not hear whether or not I heard there's a motion to continue. If there's no speedy trial waiver, the city's asking to set for trial because this case, the speedy trial clock has been running since, since the arraignment on 6/8. And so it'd be running from then, from 60 days. So I think the trial dates would be appropriate.
Any response, defense?
Yes, Your Honor. Let's set this case for trial.
Great. Trial dates. City.
So this is again a Miss McGrain matter. She is not available.
But, Your Honor, if you look at the docket notes, like I've urged this court to do,
Yeah, I've
it
read
clearly
them, Mr. Powers. I've read them.
But it clearly states, court still waiting on conflict counsel to accept the case. He
And
does not have
Mr.
counsel
Powers,
at this time,
Mr.
sitting in custody. This is not okay.
Mr. Powers, I appreciate your zealous advocacy of your client. If you're looking at the same docket note, sir, it also says NOA received, indicating there is an attorney who is the attorney of record. And, Mr. Powers, the court is not in a position to assign conflict counsel. It's not the court's role. The court has appointed and found him eligible for the public defender. The public defender has entered an appearance in this case. As of the record of the court, he has an attorney. That person is not withdrawn. If that person is claiming a conflict, they need to follow the procedure for assigning that to conflict counsel or referring it to conflict counsel. But as the court stands right now, Mr. Powers,
clearly state that there's a conflict.
I've heard your argument. The court is not having any information about whether there's a conflict or not. There is an attorney of record. The attorney of record needs to withdraw. It may be that your argument right now is untimely in that he does actually have an attorney of record.
Okay. Understood, Your Honor.
I would ask to set the jury trial for August 4th.
Now, do I think we should have people just languishing in the jails unrepresented for months on end? No, absolutely not. I would never advocate for that. But they've assigned him counsel. He currently has representation. Now, whether that's going to result in there not being a conflict counsel available for him or not, we have yet to see. But as of this very moment, he is represented. Apparently just not as fast as this gentleman would like him to be.
Why did it tell me locked? August 4th for trial. Status then would be the day before. August 3rd. And readiness would be July 20th for readiness.
And at this time, we're reserving on any pretrial motions, Your Honor.
Okay. Has the referral been sent to you, Mr. Powers? Are you entering an appearance? Or are you?
It has not. It has not, Your Honor. If it had sent to me, we would not be having this conversation this morning. I can guarantee you that.
Well, the North County represents him as far as the court is concerned, unless they withdraw. Motion to...
How did he even hear of this case? Like, is the inmate just sitting there writing letters to all available law firms in the area saying, I'm having such and such issue? I don't understand. He's not he's not received a referral request. He's not been appointed. How did he even find out about this?
Right, but dude, look, yeah, I guess. Look, good. I don't know what happened.
Motions are reserved. All right, trial schedule for August the 4th at 9 a.m. Status August the 3rd at 8:30. If you're removed from custody, released from custody prior to that date, then it would be August the 3rd at 1:30, held here at the Bellingham Municipal Courthouse. Readiness is July the 20th, also at 8:30. Again, if you're released from custody prior to that date, it'd be July the 20th at 1:30 here in the courthouse. Reserved on motions, the motion for a pretrial release of PR is denied.
Understood, Your Honor. Thank you.
August 4th for trial. Thank you. Do you have any other matters to hear today, Mr. Powers?
Yes, sir, I do. I'm going to call the matter the McGowan matter, and for the record, Dylan James Powers, present on behalf of Mr. McGowan, who is.
Look at it's our buddy, and you see how far the attorney separated himself from him, as opposed to how close he was standing to the other guy. I mean, he was even reaching out and putting a hand on the other guy's shoulder. Our buddy shows up and he's like, I'm gonna be over here a bit.
Is standing to my left, is in custody.
All right. This is Alexander McGowan, to cause numbers 4A04538861, 5A019471, on for contested probation violations today.
And at this time, Your Honor, we will continue the denial. We will maintain the denials and ask for a continuance. I have some concerns regarding Mr. McGowan's competency, so I'm also asking for an in-custody competency evaluation.
McGowan. Probation.
No objection from probation, Your Honor.
And looks like there's still. All right, city. As to are you signing there or filling out the order on?
We said he needed a competency evaluation 3 hearings ago.
Review for.
Oh, I'm sorry, Your Honor. I was thinking McGowan is it is just probation, right?
Yes, on for just probation.
Okay.
But they can still raise competency.
Yes. Oh, for sure. I was not doing. I'm going to accept counsel's representations, Mr. McGowan, if he's suffering from some issues that require evaluation, so he has no objection to that. But I can look at it. So.
Yes, sir, Mr. Good.
I'm sorry. I'm just looking at the order right now, and I'm just seeing this says that the non-felony cases, none of them are serious offense. These are 2 assaults. I believe these are serious offenses. So.
Let me take a look at the statute one more time. Sorry.
Yeah, no worries. I'm setting the probation matter to July 22nd. I'm not seeing assault in the 4th degree listed as a serious offense
in the as a serious offense in the statute, Your Honor. I see assault in the second degree, assault of a child in the second degree, child molestation, indecent liberties, manslaughter, rape, sexual exploitation, vehicular assault, but I'm not seeing assault in the fourth degree as a serious offense.
So, may I respond?
Go, please.
Okay, so 1077, 665 talks about involuntary medication. It says any listed offense, it's a 1E. So any offense listed in a harassment offense in 9A46. So if you go to 9A46, 060, and you go crimes included in harassment, number 8 is assault in the fourth degree.
And I'm mistaken. I do apologize.
No worries. All right. So, did you make that change, Counselor?
I did not.
I was looking at the wrong subsection, Your Honor. My apologies.
And I'm going to take the city's word for it at this moment. You can obviously raise that if it comes to the competency evaluation and an order is entered for restoration. You could clearly argue that at that time.
Understood, but I believe counsel's correct.
Okay.
And the form has been changed.
All right.
Thank you.
And let me know whenever you're ready, Mr. Good, for me to sign that.
Yeah, sorry, I'm
If
sorry.
you're making any other changes. And just for the record, it does direct the court to read 655, or 665, excuse me, for that determination. So, I agree with the city. Are you ready for me to sign it, Counsel?
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay. All right, I will sign that order for competency evaluation. And it'll be, I'm going to change the review date to July 22nd. Please note it up sooner if the report comes back sooner.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. There's one more box that needs to be clicked. It's at the very, very top. It says this matter comes before the court on the motion of the defense attorney. That just needs to be, that box needs to be clicked.
Will do. I signed it and I'm editing it, so they may change that. All right. And I've changed the review to July the 22nd. And please note it up, counselors, if the review comes back sooner. Is there anything further to address on this case?
Not at this time, Your Honor. Thank you.
Thank you. Your signatures are all knocked out. If you would like to please re-sign that document.
Understood, Your Honor. And it has been signed. Thank you.
And we're going to set an out of custody date for August the 5th. I'm just going to enter that on the judge's note. And if nothing further, Mr. McGowan could stand aside.
You're good, bud.
Good
Derek
morning.
Brown, Your Honor.
Derek Brown is 3 cause numbers 5A05067556, 5A0802, 5A01555368. And we're here for motion from defense. Go ahead.
Your Honor, defense is requesting just to have Mr. Brown's sentencing documents reviewed. Mr. Brown would just appreciate if a judicial officer like yourself could review the sentence documents with him. There's a couple moving parts on them with the jail sentence that was recommended on the 57756 cause number, 2643 cause number, as well as the probation sanction that was to run concurrent. And if we could just run through those with Mr. Brown, I know that he'd really appreciate it.
And the cause 5A ending in 5756. I'm reviewing a judgment and sentence that was entered and signed by the court on November 19th. There were 2 charges. It appears as though, and in that cause number, on 2 counts, one of criminal trespass in the first degree, each count he was sentenced to 180 days jail. It does not, it appears to be silent on the issue of concurrence or consecutiveness.
I don't believe that's the case.
Hmm?
City's understanding, and I believe that this is reflected in there is that revocation order says the defendant, for the probation matter, says the defendant shall serve 360.
That's what I just looked at. That's 180 days on each. And so the 5A 015536A, you said addresses the current nature. And probation motion to strike. Objection. All right, see, there's no objection. Probation concurrent with one other pretrial matters. Defendant shall serve 364 days jail. Jail shall run concurrent with the 5A cause number and 2643 and consecutive to. Okay. That would mean there's a 364-day sentence followed by a 180-day sentence.
That's the city's.
That is the court's understanding of the orders that have been entered. Defense.
Your Honor, I would just ask if Mr. Brown has any questions about that. That is defense's understanding as well.
So the total jail sanction of 544 days. Go ahead, sir.
Yes, sir. I was credited 207 days from score plus I think like 180 days on my probation case, so it would have been time served for that 164-day case. I would only have to serve 180 days, sir.
Well, the jail is the one who calculates your credit on the case. If there's a problem with that calculation, you could bring a motion or have your counsel bring a motion with all those details with certified documents from the jail showing your actual credit. And if there is a discrepancy, please bring that to the court in a motion. But that's not before the court. We don't have those records.
Actually, I think this attorney is doing it much more intelligently than the last attorney. So his client wants to vehemently argue a position that this lawyer knows is bupkis. And so the lawyer's response is, Your Honor, I agree with those calculations. However, my client would like to address something and have it reviewed judicially by you. So the judge goes through and does all the mathematical calculations and says what he says, and the attorney's like, yep, that's what I got too. So he's allowing his client to still advocate his position, but he's not getting in the middle of it. And he's not arguing with the judge about it. Thank you so much, Wolf Lord Lover. Oh, what do you mean welcoming you back? You never left. You just have to work and deal with life, and we all understand that. Just because you have to be absent a few days, it doesn't mean that you're kicked out of the group, silly. But I do love you.
It should be on a copy of the probation case. It should say number. It should say the time that I was credited, time served for. So why wouldn't it tell you how much time I was credited for? On the paperwork that I do have, it says that I'm time served for it. So I'm just trying to see what's going on there. Okay. It should be on the document, like my plea, my judgment and sentences. It should have it should say what I'm credited for on that case.
I don't see that on the document on your probation violation report that was generated on November the 19th. It says probation's motion to strike violation number 5 is granted. It's a duplicate charge. Defense has no objection. Probation's request to revoke is granted. Defense has no objection. Probation and the city jointly request to impose 364 days jail. Defense requests to run all the time concurrent with pretrial matters. City has no objection to running probation concurrent with one of the pretrial matters. Defendant shall serve 364 days jail. Jail shall run concurrent with the cause number 5A0802643 and consecutive to 5A0506756. PR on this matter once commitment is served, and that is the entirety of the notes attached to that document. But, as I said, if there is proof that you have credit for time served that's not being honored by the jail, because the jail is the one who calculates the credit, please provide that documentation with a motion from your counsel to the court regarding that discrepancy. But it's not before the court today.
Excuse me. Last time I appeared in court, the judge actually told me that I had the time credited for it. Like doing my sentences, he said this. He said he has credit for 207 days score plus 100 and some days served here. He said this during court. Like this is
Okay.
what happened during court. Before I signed the deal, I was aware that he told me that I had the time credited already. So I wouldn't have signed the deal if I didn't have the time credited already. I mean, like you guys should have that. I mean, like you should have how much time I have credited for this case already. It's a simple trespass, sir. Are you serious? It said that, and then all you have to do is look at the documents when they sent me the probation. It says how much time I have credited on the case.
Okay.
I mean, I've been sitting here for 9 months. I've been time served for like almost five months almost. On 180 days, it's a third month. That's 120 days. I've done that twice already. Like I've been asking for reviews. It's been months and months asking. Like, and I actually have the copy saying that it's he's credited 207 days for score for the probation matter. I have the copy saying that. So I don't know. I'm not sure what's going on. I'm not sure why you guys don't have that. Last time I came to court, they said that he has to. They said I had the credit score 207 days for plus 100 or something. They didn't have the correct number of how many days I've served here, so that's why I didn't go through or whatever. I don't know how that works, but they didn't have the correct amount of days that I served here. It's like 180 days, 180, like 187 days or something.
All right. Well, I'm not seeing that reflected in the court's notes. Please have your counsel draft a motion to that effect and present those documents to the court so that we can review it all at one time. As for now, I've read what the court's records do reflect.
The judge has read it. Your attorney has read it. The prosecution has read it. Everybody has read it. And they all came to the same conclusion. It's astonishing that you read it and came to a different conclusion. But you believe that you are the right one.
Thank you, Your Honor.
What? So what's about to happen?
Currently, all I can tell you is that your sentence was a total of 544 days with credit for any time already served, but I have nothing before me telling me what credit was served. Your attorney can file a motion with those details and certified copies of your reports from the jails that you're describing, detailing that credit so that the court can review it, but it's not before the court today.
I'm not getting what you're saying, so I have to go back and sit and wait for you guys to maybe sit longer for something that you can do like right now. You can go look up and see how much time I have credit for.
That's not something the court has, sir. That's not something the court has before it. That's what I'm telling you. That information is not before the court today. I do not have the information that you're referring to. I'm asking that you have your counsel submit that information along with a motion for the court to review.
Take his word for it, Your Honor. Take his word for it. He's the right one.
But I'm saying, but you guys told me this last time in court. This is not nothing like you guys. What is it?
You're saying you guys told you this, but I didn't, and I've read through the report here, and I can't find any notation whatsoever of what you're speaking. So I'm telling you, please provide
Can you send me a
information
copy?
to the court.
Can you send me a copy of my probation revoked? Not the revoke. Can you send me a copy of that? It will say how much time I have credited. Can you send me a copy?
The court will provide you with copies of the documents presented in this court. Counsel, is there anything further?
No, Your Honor. Thank you. And I will pass back off the tokens.
Mr. Brown, I just don't see it. I've looked, okay? But we'll send you documents.
Grand Traverse County Jail, could I please have your name?
Jalen Goss Fishback.
So I will call case 266777 SM1. Mr. Goss Fishback, you are appearing for arraignment purposes this afternoon, and you're appearing with Ms. Mistley, who is the defense attorney with the Michigan Indigent Defense Commission, here to assist you.
I'm not even going to play. I swear that he said his name was Bitchback. Now, I do believe it's Fishback. Maybe Bishback. But I had to go back and listen a couple of times. I had to Bitchback back and listen.
Ms. Mistley, did you have the opportunity to review the allegations and the benchmark for failure to appear as well as the nature of the same with Mr. Goss Fishback?
I did, and he will be admitting with explanation the failure to appear to the final conference.
So do you understand that by choosing to admit to those allegations of failure to appear, that you'd be waiving your right to a hearing and all of the rights associated with that hearing, including being able to speak with an attorney about that, or being represented
Yes.
by an attorney during?
Yes, Your Honor.
In that case, we will get that scheduled for a bench warrant plea. Ms. Mistley, is there any information I should know regarding bond?
I don't believe so, thank you.
So, Mr. Goss Fishback, you didn't appear, or the allegation is that you did not appear for that final conference. There is a history of bond violations, as well as you are currently on bond for a domestic violence second offense. So for those reasons, we will remand you in jail pending your ability to see the judge.
Okay. I mean, can I give an explanation, please?
Well, at this time, you're going to be scheduled for the judge. I believe the judge would be an appropriate person to give that explanation to. And that will be hopefully in the near future. I'm not able to give you a specific date and time for that because it will be scheduled by Judge Cooney's courtroom. Okay?
Okay. I mean, I just want to give an explanation because I mean, I understand the nature of everything, but the day that I had the final conference, I didn't receive anything in the mail. My attorney had called me the day of and told me that I had court, so it really didn't give me any time to prepare at all. And you know, I just had a daughter who was just born last week. I'm just trying to see my newborn daughter. If there's any way that you guys could work something out, please. I'm begging you. I didn't mean to miss the final conference, but I mean, I have a lot going on. You know, you've already seen Miss Dean and everything prior to what's been going on. Like, it's a lot going on, and I don't want to be stuck here. I just at least want to see my daughter.
I promise I'll understand those. I do understand those concerns, but at this time, like I already explained, you do have a history of bond violation. The allegation is that you failed to appear for your final conference date, and you are on bond for allegations of a domestic violence second. So for all of those reasons, you will be remanded until you can see the judge on this matter. If you don't have any additional questions, sir, then you are all set and free to let the next person in. Right, sir, at the Grand Traverse County Jail, can I please have your name?
Jeffrey Hunter.
So I will call case 253665 SM1. Mr. Hunter, you are appearing for arraignment purposes this afternoon, and you're appearing with Ms. Mistley, who is the defense attorney with the Michigan Indigent Defense Commission, here to assist you. Ms. Mistley, did you have the opportunity to review the allegations on the probation violation report as well as the recommendations with Mr. Hunter?
I did not have an opportunity to actually review the report since I just received it from the court after I had spoken with him, but we are aware of what he is aware of the allegation is. Recommendations, no, and I'll just share that with him now. The recommendation, Mr. Hunter, is to continue your probation, that you have a GPS tether, and that you serve 5 days in jail. With all that being said, Your Honor, he does wish to enter a plea of not guilty and request assigned counsel, please.
All right, in that case, in order to complete a petition for assigned counsel, I need to place you under oath and ask you some questions. Can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear that the information you're about to give will be the truth to the best of your knowledge?
Yes.
All right, thank you. You may lower your hand. What is your phone number
303.
and your mailing address?
Right now, I mean, it was at my house of residence that can't be at right now. It's on Kirkridge Drive, and that's Williamsburg. But that's my residence that I can't be at currently.
So whose address do you want your mail to go to?
I guess my mom's in Wisconsin, where she's in the process of moving back from Arizona right now. We are waiting on approval on Monday to go get her. So we're waiting for that when all this started. So ideally, I can send it to her place, but I don't know if she's ever going to get there without me helping her. So I currently I can give you her address. That's all I really have right now. And then I could find one in Traverse. I have some buddies here, but I'm not really planning on staying with them yet. But I haven't figured everything out yet either. So would you like my address for my mom's house in Wisconsin? I just don't know if she's ever going to.
Okay, if it's not going to get to you, if it's not an appropriate mailing address for us to have, then that's okay, all right? What is a good email?
At gmail.com.
Are you working?
I had a job. I kind of took a layoff while I was trying to, move my stuff out and go get my mom up in Wisconsin, get her situated. So I'm kind of in the process of figuring that all out right now. And my work kind of gave me a leave of absence while I do that.
Do you have any sources of income or assistance?
Not currently without working. I have some other side gigs that I'm trying to do in Traverse while I'm down here. When I was trying to come down and my goal was to try and take care of my mom up in the UP in Wisconsin and then travel back down to Traverse to see my son. But now with not being able to see him or contact anyone, I'm just trying to figure out how I can take care of my mom who's in Arizona, who's trying to get to.
This time, we're just doing a financial assessment to see if you qualify for assigned counsel, okay? So let's redirect a little bit.
I'm sorry.
Right. Do you own a vehicle?
Yes.
What is the estimated value of that vehicle?
Probably $5,000, $4,000, $5,000.
And do you have any money in a checking account, savings account, or any cash on hand?
I have about $500 in my account, and I have a couple $100 in cash right now, which I think is about 100 now.
So in that case, you will be assigned an attorney to represent you. Okay.
Okay.
Ms. Misley, is there any information you should know regarding bond?
Yes. So, this is perhaps one of the few probation violations that truly does need a hearing. There was so much that happened in such a short period of time and behind the scenes, without, full knowledge. Mr. Hunter still has not received in writing any order, but he did comply with the probation officer's direction that he remove his property from the marital home because she was going to seek reinstatement of the no contact order. For what reason, we don't even know. But nonetheless, he was following his PO's direction that he have his property removed by the Friday, the 26th. And let me know, Mr. Hunter, just tell me that.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Sorry.
Listen to what I'm saying. If I misstate what you told me, let me know that. But he was told on the 24th of June that she was going to seek reinstatement of the no contact order, so that he could not have contact with his wife. Apparently a divorce is recently underway or someone is about to file for divorce. He was told to get his things out of there by Friday, the 26th. The father-in-law had, very briefly, sir, what did I misstate?
So they said everything had to be out on the 24th, which was Wednesday by 6 o'clock. So that's when I was out by 5:55 on that Wednesday. And on the 26th was when I went back to get the jet ski with my approval from my probation and the court saying I could pick there up at 5 o'clock. And so that's when I got some of the rest of my couple little belongings.
Okay. So he was doing his very best, to comply. In the meantime, the father-in-law brought his jet ski, apparently back to the marital home so Mr. Hunter could get it. There's just a lot of divorce stuff all of a sudden mixed up with a no contact order being put back in place. And then because he left a note letting the time be known, he was able to get back there with a third party standing by. Now here we are with the PV. Just Mr. Hunter, stop.
Sorry, I won't say anything.
So there are no prior probation violations in this case. He has paid all of his fines and costs in full, completed the men's group. There are no conditions he has not completed, and he was just looking forward to his release from probation on September 4th. For those reasons, I think in addition to the fact he's trying to get to his mother, who apparently has made it as far as Wisconsin from Arizona, and she has a number of health issues. I'm asking this court to release him on a PR bond pending the probation violation hearing, keeping in mind what the recommendations are as well. There's just a lot here. There's no recommendation for a remand pending that hearing, and I do not think a remand would be appropriate under the facts of this case. So we're asking for a PR bond. Thank you.
Let me review a few things, just one moment.
The court should also know that he was already up in Iron Mountain when he learned of this warrant, and he was told he actually turned himself into Iron Mountain because that's where he was. And they said, well, no, you drive yourself down to Traverse City. So for all intents and purposes, he did turn himself in.
Yeah, they booked me and said they were gonna extradite me down here, and then they came and told me to check myself in. So I drove straight down and checked myself in last night. I'm just trying to get all this dealt with as fast as possible, and I apologize.
That's enough.
I agree that there are a lot of moving parts to the situation. I am concerned about the no contact order being reinitiated. I am concerned about the allegations on the violation. I am concerned that the underlying offense is a domestic violence. There is a lot about the circumstances that I am concerned for. We will schedule it for a probation violation hearing. At this time, I will remand you in jail pending your ability to see the judge in this case.
What was that? I didn't understand.
You're going to be staying in jail until you see the judge for a hearing in this case. Okay, I will ask that that hearing be expedited so that we can get you before the judge as soon as possible.
Okay.
Okay. Do you have any additional questions, sir?
No.
If you don't have any additional questions, then you are all set and free to let the next person in. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. So is there a date for the court? Do I know? Or am I just kind of waiting?
I am not able to provide you with that date. It will be scheduled by the judge's clerk in this case, so it'll be Judge Cooney's clerk. I believe the maximum amount of time it needs to be scheduled within 14 days. I have requested that it be expedited in the hopes that it can be scheduled sooner than that. Okay?
Okay, okay.
Thank you, sir.
We're next call the matter of Samantha Luz versus John Velez, file number 22-19041DS. We have the parties on that matter present.
Yes, I'm here.
I'm here.
Thank you. And sir, this is your motion regarding support, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
And what are you asking to change?
So I'm still driving the full way. Since our last adjournment, I think at the evidentiary hearing, Ms. Luz stated that she's still not going to meet me halfway, that she'll just compensate me. But as we all know, gas has went up. And it's too expensive. And if I'm driving the full way, at this point, I want support reduced. Because I had to get a new vehicle because my last one broke down. Because of all the driving I did.
Is she paying you when you drive the whole way?
Yeah, the $40 there and back. I missed February because she stated that because she didn't get my child support that she couldn't pay me compensation. So basically I'm paying myself to drive up there. So
Ma'am, anything that you want to say?
Well, financially, I was struggling in February that he mentioned, and every single time he wants his visitation, I pay him the money. I pay him the full $40. I financially, that's very helpful.
You said anytime you want spare time. Are you guys following the schedule, or are there times where it's not? You guys don't meet?
Yes,
yeah.
we're following the schedule, yeah.
Okay.
And I was also going to ask, because our son is with me majority of the summer, if the weeks that he's with me, or like to calculate the time that he's with me, can I not pay the support because he's with me 8 weeks out of the summer, and I think there's 12 total, and I'm still paying her to support him, but he's with me majority of the time.
Well, the overnights are calculated based on a yearly and averaged out. So you can't choose to not pay support because he's with you more during those months, because that's factored into the calculation and spread out over the entire year.
Okay. I just know he's going to camp when he's here. So that's why I was like, it'll help a little bit, but that's fine. No issues.
So what the court has to consider when it comes to changing a support amount is whether or not there's proper cause or change of circumstances. It sounds like Mr. Velez's argument is that they agreed to an amount before, and you don't feel that amount is sufficient compensation for the drive, sir?
No, it's not. It costs to get there and back. It costs roughly about $70, and that's 7 hours of driving to go all the way up there. And I know Miss Luz has a better reliable vehicle because I saw basically a brand new truck that I guess her grandma or her mom drives, and I'm just a little frustrated.
So you believe it cost you round trip about $70?
There and back, yes. So that's why I wanted the support reduced by roughly about 140, because it's, it'd be about 300 per support.
Sounds like if your round trip costs you 70, you are
I don't
driving
even
the full way,
Go ahead.
driving the full way, so meeting halfway. I mean, you'd have to drive halfway either way, then you do the extra halfway. So half of that is 35. She's paying you 40. That was part of the court's, that was part of the agreement parties reached back when we had the custody hearing. Ms. Luz, do you think that figure, the $40, should be increased at all, or do you think that is the appropriate figure?
I feel like it's appropriate because I can't afford a whole lot of money. I only get paid so much in my Social Security.
Do you ever make the drive, or is it just that he has to do it all the time now?
I don't make the drive, no, because I do not have a dependable ride, which we talked about last hearing.
All right, so any last thing that you want to say, sir?
Well, if she can't meet me halfway, I just feel like it should be reduced and then just take the compensation away, and then that'll help at this point, because I'm paying $400 and something, and then she's giving me 40, but it's like at this point she's not going to meet me halfway. Just take the compensation out and reduce the support, and then I'll just pay with my own money.
All right, so the parties do have an existing support order. Mr. Velez has filed a motion to change that, asking for a reduction due to travel expenses. The parties do have an order from October 25. There was discussions that went back and forth regarding that order. Ultimately, it came out that the exchanges would be halfway. If one party had to make the entire trip, then the other party would have to pay $40. Mr. Velez is asking that be removed and that his support simply be reduced instead. Testimony supports that Ms. Luz is paying that money when for those trips, is paying that $40 that was discussed and agreed to back in October of 25. The board has decided there's proper cause or change of circumstances to change a support order. Based on the statements today, I do not believe there is proper cause or change of circumstances, so I will deny the motion. The orders would remain in place. Either party has the right to file an objection to this recommendation and have the matter heard before the judge. You have to file that objection within 21 days of the mailing of the recommended order, and that information will be provided in the paperwork that you receive from the court. All right, thank you both for appearing. You are all set.
All right, thank you.
Well, that was fun. Oh, you guys don't seem tired at all. I don't think you're tired. And I still have power. So give me just a second here. So this is a channel I just stumbled on called Cam Extra. And I liked it. I liked it a lot. Billy, can I please do this? Apparently not. I'm holding your tail hostage until I get this clicked. There, now you can have it back.
Come on, don't shut it.
Huh?
Stay out here, don't shut it. Get out here. Come on. Get out of the garage.
Hold on, sir.
Come here. I'm not going to tell you again.
Bro, you don't have to. Sir, please don't handcuff.
Put your hand back. You out too, come on.
No, can you grab my keys? I'm on.
No, leave the keys in. Drop your stuff.
Why'd you run?
All right, what do you know about what's going on?
I was just getting a ride.
222. Bro,
How
my
do you know
secure.
each other?
He's one of my friends.
Okay,
Let's go down here.
all right, so what happened?
Why are you running from a crash?
I wasn't running from the crash, bro. I was
So what happened? Spin around.
to get out the way, like literally.
Spin around, talk to me.
I was
So
trying
why'd
to
you
get out
keep
the
going?
way. I thought my mom might have been here. Like when I ran over the median, I just wanted to come. Like I know my neighborhood was right here. I just got off work, sir. I was trying to come home.
So you you hit someone and you keep driving?
No, I told him to follow me. And I thought that was who was following me all around the neighborhood. Legit, sir.
Okay.
Like, there was these people that was right behind me, and then all of a sudden they dipped off. And I asked them to follow me because I was trying to get money from my mom to go fix my tire. I have someone to go pick up, like, literally, probably, like, when I went over the median, I rolled my window down. He rolled his window down, too. He said, "Are you okay?" I said, "Yes, sir, I'm okay."
First name Tony, comma spelling.
I said, "Can you please follow me so I can get out the way of these cars?" And my house is right around the corner. He went like this, and then when I started taking off, this car pulled behind me and followed me all the way into the neighborhood, and I swear to God, it was him. So I'm trying to figure out what's going on now.
Yeah.
Like I said, they followed me up until here. My buddy told me they drove past and kept going.
What's your middle initial?
A V.
Huh?
V.
Middle initial is V Victor.
Sir, I promise I'm not going to run or anything. Can you take the handcuffs off so I can hear out my face? Pedro, can you please go in my vehicle, grab my phone from off the dashboard?
No one's going in the car right now.
What do you mean the car's not under investigation? Bro.
Yeah, it is. No one's going in the car. You can go in it in just a minute, whenever we get done.
I just want him to call my mom because this is her house. She's got cameras out front that's watching all of this.
Yeah, but your car is now evidence.
They're good. I have a camera too that's recorded it from the start.
It's not about that, sir. I'm just trying not to piss her off because I'm living here under her roof. That's what I'm trying to say.
Is that your car?
Jeep, yes it is.
Okay.
My mom is also on that Jeep too.
What's up?
I said my mom is also on the registration of that Jeep too.
Okay.
It's, I guess both of our vehicles, but
yeah. All right, man. Look, I'm gonna try and finish this up as fast as I can. You just want to sit right up here on the hood of my car. I ain't gonna put you in the back seat or nothing. But I got some stuff I gotta know. The hood up here. Because whenever you get into a crash, you're not supposed to leave. That's a crime. You're supposed to stay where the crash occurred. Well, then you would just move to the side. You don't continue to drive home.
all right. I'm sorry, I don't need to be arguing with you, sir.
You know, it's probably best if you two just don't talk to each other right now.
All right, man. I've been straight up with you the whole time, right? There's no need to lie. This is only going to help you in the end. So I'm going to ask you stuff, but I got to read you something before I do it. Don't mean you're going to jail. It just means that I want to ask you questions that could be used against you, right? That's my job, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
All right. All questioning will be stopped at your request. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
All right, man. So just be honest. What happened? Because I think there's a little bit more than what you've told me so far.
No, there's nothing more, bro. I pulled over the median like I was driving.
Where are you coming
from? The
from?
road is slippery. I'm coming from Bellevue, coming down Cypress Point, taking a left turn on Post Parkway. Okay, so
were you trying to go towards Chick-fil-A or go over the bridge?
No, I'm trying to go towards Old Kings.
Okay.
Okay, so as I'm taking that right, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to say that.
No, you're good.
As I'm taking that right, my vehicle starts to like overspin, like I guess I'm taking the turn too long. Honestly, I went over the median, and as I'm going over the median, I'm hitting the brakes, but like I still go into this other vehicle. That's when I said we both rolled down the windows. We talked to the police. Was like,
so the car you hit was on the traffic coming
side.
This way.
Yes, sir.
So you slid over the median and hit that car.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
That's when my tire popped.
Okay, what happened after you did that?
I said, I rolled down my window. He rolled down his window. He said, "Sir, are you okay?" I said, "Yes, sir. Can you please follow me? I live right up the road." And he said, "Yes." Okay, his tires went flat. That's when I realized my tire was flat. But I kept going anyway. I seen him behind me, and I seen them following us into the neighborhood. My buddy said, "Bro, they just drove and kept going." I said,
do you know how much damage you can do from driving on your tire after it's flat? Especially after you've just hit someone. You are better off stopping, no matter what the circumstance is.
I wonder why they kept going. Okay, that's when I tried to pull my vehicle into the garage because I feel like something fishy's up. You know, regardless, I thought that they were on my side. They were willing to get, you know, what's called civilly.
Mm-hmm.
You know, what is it? resolve the situation, civilly resolve the situation. And when they kept going,
So you're saying that the car that you hit followed you?
Yes.
It didn't, because it's still there.
Okay, so who was the silver car that was following us the whole time?
That was someone that watched the crash and saw you leaving and was like, oh, well, that's probably fishy, and then followed you here. That's how we know where you went.
Oh, that's crazy. I thought that was them the whole time. Pedro, that wasn't them. Bro.
Do you remember what?
That silver car wasn't them.
Do you remember what color the car was that you hit?
Yeah, silver.
It wasn't silver. It was a black car that passed by.
No. The one that was following us, bro, was silver.
All right, man. I ain't trying to be.
Bro, it wasn't.
I ain't trying to be a dick, but I'm not talking to him, right? I'm talking to you because you were driving, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. You got insurance on it? On your car?
On my vehicle?
Yeah.
Yes. Oh my God. I'm actually not. My accurate insurance, acceptance insurance dropped me after the last car crash that I had. The markings on my face, I just got a settlement for it because I had a bad car crash and crashed into me. But accurate acceptance insurance just dropped me because of that accident. It had nothing to do with it, but they still dropped me. So I was in the process of getting more auto insurance. I don't have any auto insurance right now.
Uh-huh. So your auto insurance dropped you and you didn't think of that until this very moment. You weren't trying to hide your car. You thought the other driver was following you the whole time. Yeah. Hey buddy, yeah, that wasn't them. Yeah, I'm gonna pretend like we didn't know this the whole time. The officer's totally gonna buy this. You just look stupid.
If I call and get auto insurance right now, like this very moment, would that be better?
No, because they won't pick you up.
Is that way worse on my part?
I'm just curious
Sir, I don't do nothing else.
of why you left. Because it's not a big deal.
Because it's right down the street from my house. And when something
So
like
when you were in your last crash, did you leave?
No, I couldn't leave, sir. I got knocked out. And then I woke up still thinking I was hanging out with the homegirl because I was having sexual intercourse, of course, with her in the back on the beach. Girl was parked on the side of the beach, and someone crashed into us. We both got knocked out and thought we were still hanging out. So that's why, in that situation, I wouldn't have known. We both thought that we were still just hanging out.
Have you ever been arrested before?
Yes, sir.
What for?
Aggravated assault and violations of probation.
What a way to go. He was doing the deed. Someone crashed into him and he woke up thinking they were still in the middle of their beach festivities.
You're not on probation right now, are you?
Yes, sir.
Listen, this don't mean you're going to jail, but I'm happy you sit in the back seat, all right? It don't mean you're going to jail, I promise.
Can I just sit on the back of your vehicle?
Come on.
Oh my God.
Come on.
Dude, he put me in the back of the car, bro.
Look, man, if you don't, I told
it
you.
only goes one way from there.
No, it doesn't. Sit down.
I'm saying though, if they
Come on, I'm not.
can you please
Sit down.
I'm just asking.
No, sit down.
Bro, can you close the screen door? Like,
No,
because my mom doesn't like snakes in the garage.
Do not close it.
No,
not right now.
Not right now. I'm saying if they pull off with me, bro. Just make sure no snakes get in there, bro.
Huh? Yeah. Slide your foot in. I'm telling you, man. And I don't want to take you to jail for this. Just
Are you
sit tight.
taking me to jail though?
I don't want to.
Nothing.
Reckless coming off of Cypress Point, slid out, went over the median, hit another car, and then just backed up and drove home. You can't do that.
I know you can't leave the scene of a crime,
No.
the scene of an accident.
Yeah.
You know that.
And the fact that he kind of got here, the vehicle was like pretty stuffed into the garage, like he's trying to conceal it. When I got here, he didn't really want to fully listen to me. There's a whole bunch going into it.
Mm-hmm.
So as soon as I have a better answer, I'll let you guys know. I don't know right now. All right.
Man, these shit's so tight, dude. Oh my God, bro, these shits hurt so bad.
Tony was arrested and charged with leaving the scene of a crash involving property damage and resisting officer without violence. Could he have avoided getting arrested if he had simply stayed at the crash scene and spoken with the other driver?
Yeah.
If you found this video informative, make sure to like, comment your thoughts below, and subscribe for more real police body cam footage and true crime content.
I like them.
So, did you do your investigation, my friend?
What do you think I'm doing right now, my friend?
I'm asking you, honey.
This is what I'm doing, honey.
Right, and I told you, baby.
I be smashing. Friends with benefits. Don't give me no title, dog.
A routine domestic disturbance call quickly spiraled into a chaotic arrest.
We're good. We're just looking for the key.
Well, that's not what we've been told.
No, we're just looking for the key.
No.
I'm a little worried. Okay. I don't know what's going on.
We're just looking for our key. We lost it.
Yeah, that's fine,
Like,
sir.
my key is attached with tape.
I need you to come over here, please.
What?
I need
Can
you.
I ask why?
Yes. We got a report that there was a fight.
Mhm.
Your shirt is ripped.
This?
No, your shirt all down the side.
But,
Ma'am.
sir, you don't under, this is, babe, this is,
Ma'am. I need you to step over here.
it's a microchip.
That's fine. We'll go find it.
You're not. I've been looking for it for like the past 20 minutes.
Okay.
It fell out of my key.
Okay. I need you to come over here. What's going on right
There's
now?
nothing going on. I just told you I'm looking for my key.
How did your shirt get ripped?
The shirt has been ripped. It's an old shirt I've had since like 2018. I'm not worried about the shirt right now. I'm worried about my car.
Okay.
That the key is gonna cost me $200 if I don't find it. I'm trying to find my key.
I understand that.
I'm here to tell you that.
Nothing going on.
All right, that's it? Yeah. You got any buttons? No, we're looking for a key.
The shirt has been ripped. It's an old
It's
shirt.
not a private party. This is not Miami. There's no one shooting. We're looking for our damn key. So what's going on? We're looking for our key.
Hey, so what's going on? What'd you see?
So they came in a little bit ago. They were all cool. They were good with each other and everything. Then a customer came in and told me that somebody's out there screaming. So I'm looking out the window. I'm watching them screaming. Somehow their window got broken. It wasn't broken when they were sitting there. They pulled up there. I get out. I mean, what I seen her make contact with his face like 3 or 4 times.
Okay, so you witnessed the female hit the male.
Hit him. I can't necessarily say he didn't hit her back. They both squared up.
Uh-huh.
So it was double. Like, they're both intoxicated.
Right.
So
when the customer walked in, did she say that you were getting physical with each other at the time?
No.
It was more yelling?
Yeah, they said they heard yelling. That's why I went out there. Then another customer came in and says, you know something's going on out there, right?
Right.
I went out there, looked, and he's like, you got this handled? You got to call the cops or something? I was like, yeah, I got it handled. And so that's when I called you guys. And as I was on the phone with you guys, they repeatedly came in here and begged me. They're like, do not call the cops.
Gotcha.
So I was like, at this point, you guys have both jumped sitting in my parking lot for over an hour fighting. I got to do something.
Okay.
Oh, cashier, just hold on them. You guys are both drunk, sitting in my parking lot for an hour now. Yeah, that's going to go well.
You witnessed the female strike the male in the face like 3 times?
Yeah.
And then you did.
Now, I also witnessed her try to get him to like go away.
Right.
Like 10 times. And
Okay.
He just kept getting back in the car, kept getting up in her face and all that shit.
Gotcha.
So it's very possible she did it out of instinct or fear. Honestly, from my point of view.
Okay.
Can't necessarily say that is or isn't a thing. It's not my relationship. It's not my conversation.
Right.
I can only see what I see through the window.
Okay, I got you. Okay. All right.
You just said you've been looking for it for the last 20 minutes. So
Yes, because I pulled up here trying to get
So
gas.
wait.
I washed my dishes here. I warmed up my food. No. You said I pulled up for the past 20 minutes, and you're trying to tell me.
You told me that.
I did, and you're trying to tell me that I've been here longer than I'm supposed to, or I've been doing something that I'm not supposed to do. No. I've been here the last 20 minutes. I washed my dishes. I heated up my food, and I put gas, and I'm looking for my key. I am not doing nothing illegal. Back up from me. What am I doing?
Ma'am?
Nothing, right?
No, we got a report that you two were fighting in the parking lot.
Okay.
Yeah, she's
So,
not.
did you do your investigation, my friend?
What do you think I'm doing right now, my friend?
I'm asking you, honey.
This is what I'm doing, honey.
Right, and I told you, baby.
Okay, well, baby, I'm telling
Nothing's
you.
going on. And I told you what I've been doing, what I did when I
Was
got
that before or after you guys started fighting?
here. Nothing.
Nothing what?
Shay Suggan.
So what
I'm
happened?
looking for my.
We're looking for a key.
I have been here for the past.
You mind stepping over here so we can talk, so you're not yelling back and forth with each other? You on that side? All right. So what happened?
Nothing. We're just looking for a key.
Be honest, okay?
We're looking for a key.
This is not our first rodeo, okay? Just be honest.
I'm looking for a key. That's it. I'm looking for my key. Nothing is happened.
That's what.
Nothing happened. We're looking for the key. That's it. I didn't even think no one called.
That's the access.
What's your guys' relationship?
We're friends. We're boyfriend and girlfriend. We're just looking for a key. That's it.
It's a microchip, baby. My car, when my mother bought the car and gave it to me, it's broken, babe. I don't know where it went. It breaks all the time.
Right.
It's a piece of shit Nissan. Nissan suck if you didn't know that.
So what are you saying? It's in the car?
It's in the car. It's on the floor. It's somewhere here. I pulled up here. Haven't been able to move since.
All right. Am I free to go?
No, not at all.
All right. Let me know when I'm.
No. Just stand by right there.
I'm fine.
Stay right there. No, you're not going to your car.
I just want to know what happened.
Hey, can you come to the back of the car, bro? Come on. Please come to the back of the car. If not, we can just take the route of going into handcuffs.
What am I doing?
Stay right here. I'm not going to tell you again. Okay?
What's going on here?
That's what we're trying to figure out, but you're not saying anything. Be
I
honest
did.
with us, dude. Why would somebody say you're beating the shit out of each other?
Oh,
for
we're
no
not
reason?
beating the shit out of each other. We weren't even fighting. She was looking for the key. I'm looking for the key. I'm on the floor looking for the key. That's it. Pop that sign, man. Pop that sign.
You got a bunch of officers around you.
Yeah, I'm just saying.
Sir,
Yeah, get mama.
we're talking to her. You can talk to them.
Get mama, Lee.
That's how this is working. I don't need the interaction.
I'm just saying.
I know, we're going to talk to her. You don't need to answer his questions to her. He's not talking to you.
You're right.
So,
Any other questions?
Well, we really haven't gotten anything out of you, man.
Any other questions?
Yeah, we haven't. You haven't
Just
told us
tell me
what
what you
all
want,
you
I'll
keep
tell you.
saying. All you keep saying is,
Tell me what you want to know, and I'll tell you.
I want to know why would somebody think that you guys were fighting?
Oh, because I'm on the phone looking for the key, like I lost the key, like an idiot.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For people that are looking for a car
Can I
key,
explain why, though?
I would love it because he has been no help.
Because
He's a piece of shit.
the person in there, 214, the person inside there said that you guys were fighting.
Okay.
And we just got to make sure that, there's no domestic violence going on.
Why are you so close to me?
He's just doing his job.
Bro, babe, they keep walking up on me.
We're not.
And I gotta do it.
Listen, don't go to the front of the car.
And I gotta deal with it.
Don't go.
I don't know why they keep walking up on you. It's not like you just keep having bursts of aggression and calling cops pieces of shit out of the blue. And yeah, I mean, you're such a charming person.
Go to the front of the car again, okay?
I'm not doing anything.
Okay, what's the problem? Why are you getting all weird?
I'm not being weird.
There you are.
well, the gas station attendant said they started arguing. He said that initially the window wasn't broken, but now it is.
My window's been broken for weeks.
Okay,
He said the what wasn't broken?
Okay.
The window wasn't broken? Run it back. Run it back. Run it back. No. They're trying to with us, baby. No.
He just said that.
I don't trust y'all. No.
Yeah, but
No.
you can pick it up how you want to.
No. Run it now.
So you're gonna calm down, okay? All right. So right now you're causing a
My
big scene.
window has been broken since August.
It's been broken. They know that. They can run in and see.
What are you saying?
He's just saying that. He didn't mean it.
He said the clerk is the one that said
that it got broken, but y'all are saying,
baby, he can pull it. He can pull it.
You're also kind of her hype man right now, bro. Like, just let her go.
Because you're gonna with us on false information. Bullshit.
This conversation goes a lot better if we're calm.
You just said my window wasn't broken when I pulled that.
He knows that. He can pull that. He's not your enemy. He didn't lose the key. I did.
I didn't say that.
I lost the key.
Okay, all right. What's up? What's up?
But he did say that while he was out here smoking a cigarette, he clearly saw you punch this gentleman in the jaw.
She didn't punch me in the jaw. She never hit me. She never hit me.
He also said my.
I'm not gonna lie, she never hit me. I will tell you.
Dude, let them have the conversation.
No, I'll just let him know because I heard him.
They're just
talk to you after.
But can I let him know? It's the
Until
truth.
he comes to you.
Yeah.
It's the truth.
It's like a one-on-one.
She never
thing.
hit me.
Is that your boyfriend?
No,
What is he?
my friend.
She never hit me.
You called him your boyfriend earlier.
I be smashing. Friends with benefits. Don't give me no title, dog. I got a girlfriend. What, he's gonna give me a title? I got a girlfriend.
Okay.
Don't write that shit down.
Let me ask you something. Why'd you call her your girlfriend?
Well, she's my girl.
So you're just a whore. Both of y'all.
I smash.
When I asked you the first
Official
time, you
girlfriend.
said that she's your
Like, I
girlfriend.
got a girlfriend. She's one of my girls.
Okay.
But it's an intimate relationship.
Man, listen, bro. Don't get me to say something I don't mean.
No, I'm just.
Don't say
letting you know.
intimate. Just, my girlfriend might see
You
this.
just said you were smashing.
My girlfriend might see this,
I
right?
hope she does.
Right?
Do you know what intimacy means?
No.
It
Don't
means
say.
having sex.
Oh my God.
And also,
My girlfriend doesn't.
in the eyes of the law.
I don't want to talk no more. My
Good.
girlfriend might-
Okay. Fantastic.
I don't want to see that.
That'd be a solid plan. I'm good with that. Matt, where you going?
I have to piss. I'm cold.
They don't have a female cop with her or nothing, bro.
They didn't go in the bathroom with her.
Like if that was your girl, what you would say. That's what I want to say.
Say what?
I just want to say something.
Say whatever you want.
All right. Hey, excuse me, sir.
Stay here though. That's all I ask.
Is everything all right with her using the bathroom and stuff? Y'all got what y'all got going on? Y'all following her to the bathroom and stuff?
Followed me to the bathroom.
That's a female, bro.
We didn't go in the bathroom.
They didn't go in it, yeah, but they followed me outside like I was a criminal. They're doing an investigation, but they treat me like a criminal.
See what I'm talking about? That's what I wanted to ask. I feel like they follow her to the bathroom.
It's all on camera, bro.
I feel like he followed her to the
It's
bathroom.
all on camera, dude. It's all on camera.
Feel whatever
He
you
did,
want.
didn't he?
It's all on camera. Nobody's violating your girl.
That's not real, bro. I ain't
It's
lying.
on camera.
What's going to happen, ma'am, is you're going to go to jail.
Li di la pares mwen, vin gen Clea. Shay vin gen Clea. Gen Clea, Shay vin ni.
Oh, you speak Creole. Wouldn't it be something if one of the officers spoke Creole too?
So what am I getting arrested for?
Battery, domestic
When am I
violence.
getting out?
Tomorrow morning, probably. You'll see the judge.
Just live in your
Get
pocket.
off me.
You need to calm down.
I'm trying to get my shit so I can give it to my.
We're gonna get that.
You not. You not. You not.
Okay, but
Bro, you. Y'all don't. What am I getting arrested
I
for?
already told you. Battery,
You
domestic violence.
show me.
just
Babe, come get my shit.
walk.
Come get my shit. Can I give my shit to my? You said I could give it to him.
All right.
Can I give it to him?
Time out.
Please.
Start
I'm talking to you.
Start cooperating.
I am.
No, you're not.
Can I want to watch
You're
you
gonna
give
get
it to him.
it. You're
I'm
gonna-
gonna
no.
cooperate, but
I'm
I
gonna
want
tell
you to give it
If
to
you
him.
do not listen, you're going to
I'm
get another
listening,
charge for
but
resisting.
Okay,
Another
and
charge.
I'm listening. Okay, and I'm listening. Can I watch you give my shit
No.
to him?
We're going to take all your stuff out of your pockets, and if you want us to give him something, then we will. But I'm not going to let you sit here and dictate what's going to happen. There's two options here.
I'm talking to you.
I understand. I'm telling you now.
All
There's
right.
two options. I'm going to let you pick one.
Tell him to
Okay?
stop that.
All right?
I'm a girl. There's 4 on me.
Nobody-
Tell him to stop that.
There's two people holding.
Look at where his hands at.
Yeah.
Like I'm about to swing out and punch you.
Well,
Do you see this?
Listen.
Come on.
Listen.
Come on.
You're very
I'm very annoyed. Yes, but
your
my
attitude
hands
is
are in
dictating-
handcuffs.
Your attitude is dictating what we're doing.
Bailey Clay.
You guys don't
Okay,
listen. No,
I'm trying
no,
to
we're done.
stop.
Now we're done.
Sir, stop.
I gave
sir.
you options and you didn't want to
I'm
listen.
trying to listen
No,
to
you did
options.
not. Okay? Take all
Sir,
our stuff out.
can
Don't
you-
give them anything.
Sir.
Take it to the jail.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Sir, I'm trying to give you my keys.
Maybe you should have listened a lot.
Sir, I was trying to listen to you.
There's the key you're looking for.
Come on, big dog. I gotta talk to you. This is what's
Look, man.
going on. This girl's not doing anything to me.
What's your name?
Frida Hannon,
Frida. She's going to jail.
She didn't hit me, Sarge.
Well, we got a guy. We got a guy saying you did, and there's video cameras here. There's video cameras.
Sarge, I'm talking to you, man to man. She didn't hit me, Sarge. Let her go, please. I'm not gonna press charges against her, Sarge. I'm being real with you. This is not no other shit going on. This is man to man.
What is she to you?
Let's just cut through all the BS. He really doesn't care that she gets arrested. He's just worried that means he ain't gonna get none tonight.
She's my side chick. I'll be real. She's my side chick.
When you were at the hotel in December, what was she then?
Side chick. She's my side chick. Can I get it, Sarge? Please, man.
Let me talk to you in a minute, man. But this is happening most likely, right?
Please stop it, Sarge. I'm begging you.
Do you think I can like control the world, man? I can't. Like I got.
know you can. You got
we're in tough.
bars. Handle that, Sarge.
All right, you got two options. You go in peacefully or we force you in.
I want you.
All right, I'll go over there and help you out. All right.
Back off me.
All right.
I want the
Can you just
to
go in the
touch
car for
me.
me?
Come on, baby. Come on.
You can sit down perfectly fine by your own.
Come on. Baby, why they felt like they had to touch me?
All right, go ahead.
You feel like you have to touch me?
Watch your head.
Do you feel like you have to touch
Watch
me?
your head.
You don't.
Just sit down.
You
okay?
don't, because you
Just
know
sit
I'm
down.
cooperative.
Just sit down.
But they're and they don't feel like I'm cooperative.
Just sit down.
You feel
Have
like
a
I'm
seat.
cooperative?
Have a seat.
I told you I was gonna be cooperative.
You didn't say cooperative. Bro.
All right, put your foot in.
No.
Don't do that, okay? Stop.
Bro, get me out of here now.
Put your foot in.
No.
Put your foot in.
Am I leaving now?
Put your foot in. You will be once you get inside the car. You're gonna make this worse for yourself. Okay?
Am I leaving now?
Once you put your foot in the car, you will be leaving. You'll be going
When am
straight
I
to the
leaving jail?
You'll see the jail like first appearance in the morning. Okay, you see a judge. All right.
Shay, Vince Hashem, damn it! Vince Hashem,
Wait,
damn
grab it on
it!
that side.
Stop! Vince Hashem,
She was ultimately charged with domestic battery, possession of drug paraphernalia, and resisting an officer without violence. Do you think her anger issues can be worked on, or...
Oh, they didn't even show the best part. Okay, I've seen that one on another channel. The black officer that's right now is off to the way right side. When I think it's when they're putting her into the vehicle, she's talking to him in Creole. That's how I knew what language it was. And the officer all of a sudden starts replying to her in Creole. And then he goes, yeah, you didn't think I knew what you were saying. She was telling him not to tell them that she hit him and telling him to lie. And yeah. I can't believe they cut that out because that was one of my favorite parts. Oh, I know. Oh, he is terrible. I do too. That's a perfect name for her. Man, if you live your life how you want, do what you want to do, but that's the second girl that has no respect for herself. The first one, we didn't even see her, but the guy that wasn't taking his girl home to mama to meet, so he was just banging her in a car by the beach and then ended up almost unaliving both of them by where they were. And now this one agreeing to be a side chick. No commitment, no relationship, just screw who you want to screw. And he said she's one of his hoes. No, one of them. She ain't even the only one. And we wonder why there's a frickin' STD crisis in this country. Oh, gross. Ooh. I don't like people touching me. that I'm not in an intimate relationship with. Like if I'm not in a committed monogamous relationship with someone and they touch me, I get like the feeling. I don't want nobody touching me. But that's my love language. So that's how I express to my partner that I value them. I truly care about them. Like I am all like I give massages. I spoil the hell out of my whenever I'm in a relationship. I spoil the heck out of them. But that's my love language. And so when somebody wants to like cross that line with me and I'm not for it, no. That's mine. This is my body. That's mine. I don't give it away freely. No, I don't charge either. There is a price they have to pay, though. I'm pretty sure the reason it's blurred was done by the police station, and they do that. They'll blur the victim's face. A lot of police stations, when the videos are FOIA'd, yeah, and I found that out when it was explained why an officer was blurred out of a can't remember what state it was. There was a state in like corner of the screen was like cut off, and it said, that they had to black out almost the entirety of the video wherever this officer was, because they were listed as a victim. Yeah, no kidding. Oh man. Sleep good, sweetie. Yeah, I don't even know the melody that goes with that one, but I'm gonna agree. Oh, let's see. I'm sure I have more. I'm sure. Let's see. Give me just a moment. I'm gonna check my history. That one that was random off of the last one. So give me just a second. Oh, can you guys hear that thunder out there? Oh, no, that's Midwest Safety. I can't run Midwest Safety. And that one I've seen on another channel. We ran it. Oh. Man, I watched so much court today. I didn't even watch body cams hardly. I didn't watch this one. Oh, it must have played when I fell asleep. Huh, I guess we're gonna see this one. It's All About Crime is the channel. They're another good channel. And I'm gonna put in the description tonight. I've been adding and shout outing channels when I run them. When I get done When I get done with the stream, I go back through my history and tag all of the channels so that you guys can go watch their stuff. Because especially it makes a big deal, especially like with that Cam Extra channel. They've got under 3,000 subscribers. That's a new channel. So, and I know what kind of work goes into editing. So, y'all absolutely, when I'm playing these smaller channels, go check them out. Give them a like, give them a subscribe, watch their other videos. It's nice to find. I have found a lot of unique content on the smaller channels, and that's important to me. You guys know I don't like doing the same as everybody else.
On August 19th, 2025, police were called after a victim discovered a thief had used his stolen credit card and fake identification to spend more than $9,000 without his permission.
Hi. Are you Oil Mastery?
Yes.
Can I speak to you outside real quick? Okay.
How you doing?
Good. My name's Bill. I'm with Palos Heights Police Department. Okay.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good.
I'm investigating an identity theft, and your name came up in the investigation. I have you on video using somebody's credit card in Worth. So you're gonna have to come back to the station with us, and we're gonna talk about it, and we'll go from there.
Well, I did.
Yeah, I'll show you a screenshot. I'm not gonna play games with you. That's you in the rented Mercedes using a credit card. So we're gonna go back, and that's you in the video as well.
But I didn't do any of no theft or nothing. I didn't do anything.
But you used the credit card, or at least you tried on 2 occasions. Even if it was declined, you still used it. That's identity theft. If I use your credit card, even if it doesn't go through and I don't have permission to use your credit card.
I did not use a credit card that was stolen.
By this point, police had already gathered multiple pieces of evidence they believed connected the suspect to the reported fraud. Although he continued denying any involvement, the investigation was beginning to move beyond simple questioning.
Okay, well, we need to go talk about it back at the station.
Okay.
So you're going to come back with us. Do you want to grab some shoes, or you're going to come back in the car, and then you can grab your phone, and then it'll be a few hours, and then you'll get released. Okay.
A few hours for what? What I do? I have to call my lawyer.
Okay.
I'm not trying to give you a hard time.
And I'm telling you,
Yeah.
I'm not going to tell you everything, but
Yes.
I have video of you going into that bakery at 107th and Harlem, trying to use somebody's credit card on 2
I didn't
occasions.
use anything.
Okay, but I have evidence that shows that you did. You're going to have to come back to the station. We're going to talk about it. And then I have to run the charges through the state's attorney to see if they say yes or no. And then we'll go from there.
Okay.
Okay? All right.
1421, your status.
How about you grab some shoes and we can go?
Officers allowed the suspect to go inside to collect his shoes and phone before heading to the station. But when several minutes passed without him returning, detectives were left waiting outside until he finally spoke to them from an upstairs window.
Masri. Bud. Come on, I let you go in and get your shoes and your phone.
Oh no.
I'm not going away.
He'll wait you out.
1 second, I'm grabbing my stuff.
Okay. I'm sorry? Okay. All right, we'll see it. Come on. Come on, man.
Look, I just want to tell you. I have my lawyer on the phone. What do you want to talk to?
Okay, well then come out here, man. Look, I have enough to arrest you, and I don't want to sit here all day.
So what I do to arrest
You used somebody's credit card, or at least you tried to, 2 times for $12,000 and $5,000. I have you on video. You rented that vehicle, that G-Wagon, and then I have your cell phone records that put you on scene there.
I rent cars. That's what I do.
I'm not talking about the rental car. You went into that bakery and tried to use somebody's credit card 2 times. I have you on video.
I'm telling you, I'm not my card. I didn't use anything. I didn't do anything.
Then I don't want to have to get a warrant for you. We can go take care of this in 3 hours.
It's my lawyer on the phone.
Come on, man.
I have kids out there.
And that's why I'm doing this now. So you don't.
I have kids and the Bulldogs, and I'm a coach at City Park Bulldogs. They have a game tomorrow.
Okay, you're not spending the night, man. This is not a overnight thing. This is a couple hours. It's a cite and release, and then you're out of here.
The suspect.
I don't know about brave. I think dumb is better. The cops aren't going away. They know you're in there. Worst case scenario, they starve you out or smoke you out, or there is a worse case scenario, and you don't want to find that one out.
Continued denying any involvement, even after police cited surveillance footage, rental records for a Mercedes and a G-Wagon, and cell phone data. But his focus quickly shifted to getting back in time for his children. What happened next would reveal how the investigation unfolded.
Is anybody home right now but you? You'll be home before school is over.
Well, I swear to God, that school, Helen Taylor, it's right there.
Yeah.
You can ask how good of people we are.
I'm not saying you're a bad person. I get these things put in my desk, and I have to investigate the crimes. And my investigation led to you using that credit card.
I'm not lying to you. I'm going to do whatever you want.
But then you need to come down here so we can take care of this.
I want to do whatever you want, right? But I just want to open the trunk just to show you that I have 2 games at 7:45 for my own kids.
And you'll be out of... You're not spending the night tonight. Unless you start fighting with us. I know, and I'm not saying you are. Then let's go. That's all. It'll take a couple hours.
You said you promised.
Yes, you're not spending the night tonight. Is that your attorney?
Yes.
Tell your attorney it's a cite and release charge. It is not something that you're going to spend the night for.
I want to come. I know you're a great guy. I'm not trying to give you a hard
Yeah,
time.
I know. People are scared. I get it.
But you just have to understand.
I'll even give you a ride back home if you want. I'm not lying to you.
After several minutes of speaking with officers and consulting his attorney by phone, the suspect finally agreed to come outside, but his emotions quickly became apparent, setting the tone for what happened next.
No.
Whatever you want, I'm going to do it.
Okay.
But I swear to God, anything happened to me. I swear to God, my kids are gone. I swear to God.
Nothing's happened. Do you want to lock your door?
Yeah, but
Maybe you shouldn't have conned a 60-year-old woman. I mean, maybe you should have thought about your children before committing crimes. Not now. Have some dignity. Have some honor.
just wanted to let you know that.
Okay. I'm not saying you're a bad guy.
I listen to you. I do whatever you want.
Okay.
But I'm just saying it because of my kids.
How old are your kids?
I just want to show you. I don't.
I'm not saying you're a bad guy.
Stanley Park Bulldogs, they just did a whole setup to thank me. I'm a coach with them. My kid's mother, she's giving me a very hard time, and my kid stays with me full time, officer.
Okay, I will.
They get out to
I'm not going to tell anybody about this. Okay.
But officer, I'm scared to
Come
go
on.
with you.
Come
I'm gonna go with you, but you said you're gonna.
I'll
You
bring
even
you
give me
back.
back.
Yes.
You'll be back before school's out. You'll be able to
They get
pick
out
them
to
up.
20 off.
I will do my best.
I'm gonna do whatever you want. I'm coming with you.
If it takes longer than 2:00, is there somebody that can get them? A friend, a cousin, something. We can deal with that at the station.
So that means you're gonna give me.
No. Here's what happens. Here's what happens. We go back to the station. I call the state's attorney. They put me on hold, and I have to wait until they call me back. Once they call me back, I find out if I have enough to charge you. If I have enough to charge you, they say yes. And then we do the paperwork. And if I don't have enough to charge you, I release you without charges.
And if you charge me,
then you're still going home today. It's a cite and release. You're not. Hey, you've been arrested for a felony before, right?
Yeah.
It's not like that anymore. There's no bond for nonviolent offenses. So for theft, for identity theft.
the felony I had before, it's for my CCL.
Right.
It was
And did you spend the night for that?
No.
No. Exactly. So it was a nonviolent crime. You don't have to spend the night anymore.
Officer, I'm coming with you.
Okay.
And I trust you.
Okay. Great.
Just all I'm asking you for, you have kids.
Yes.
God bless you.
Yes.
If you don't believe me, I know you believe me, but if you don't, open the trunk. This is how busy I am. There's 6 days in there.
I'm going to do my best to get you home in 5
I'll
hours.
do whatever you want.
Okay.
Nobody cares. Nobody cares what you have going on. The officers have a job to do. That's it.
But you think I'm getting charged?
I think so, but we'll figure this all out.
What's the charges, if you don't mind?
It'll be identity theft for using the credit card. We're trying to use the credit card. Come here.
I'm not trying to give you a hard time.
I know you're not. Everybody's scared when this happens.
Can I show you? Can I open? I know
If you want to,
yeah,
you
this,
can.
Yeah. Like, I have to be there tomorrow in New Lenox.
Yeah, and you'll be there
at 7:45 a.m. brother.
Unless you start fighting me,
I'm never.
And that's what I see.
Never.
Great.
Never. Whatever
okay,
you want.
Cool. Let's close the
Whatever
thing.
you want.
We'll get this started. Okay.
Whatever you want.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. I'm going to be
My
very.
handcuff?
Yeah, I'm going to be very discreet about it because it is by the school. Here, sit. Have a seat in there.
Appreciate it.
We'll do the front. Okay.
Thank you so much, man. Thank you. That's pretty. You have.
I'm a father. Yes.
And I'm a single, and I've been fighting with my wife after 15 years.
Okay. Are we good now? Okay. Let me grab this.
After a lengthy exchange outside his residence, the suspect was transported to the Palace Heights Police Department. Inside the station, the investigation entered a more formal phase as the suspect's emotions became increasingly apparent.
Sir.
Officer, I just want to thank you.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you for coming.
Because he knows how much he's done. See, you guys, officers are taking it real lightly because they only have one charge they're dealing with. This guy knows that if they start digging a little deeper, if they scratch that surface, there's so much more that they're going to uncover.
You have nothing on you, right? Just your phone?
Yeah. You know how it is. That's all I ask.
Yep. All right, do me a favor. Take everything out of your pockets. Just throw them on this bench right here. Do you have to use the bathroom or anything?
No, no.
Do you want some water right now? No? Okay. All right, throw everything there. Nothing else on you?
Because the officers are tried every day in the court of public opinion. They say the wrong thing and the body cam is released and they have no job anymore, or their family is doxxed. They now have to be social workers and advocates for the defendants instead of for the victims. It sucks. It really sucks. I personally like my officers gruff, to the point, and take no bullshit. Take no prisoners. Well, okay, take all prisoners. How's that? Take all prisoners. Yeah. Having the nice officers is great and all. But sometimes you gotta just put your foot down and say, get the hell out of here.
Okay.
Money.
Throw that on here. We're going to inventory everything. You'll get it all back, I promise you.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Just stand right there real quick. Yeah. I'm just going to pat you down. All right. Come on in here. Have a seat on that bench or that chair right there. Do you want a water or anything? You're okay? All right. I'll be right with you. Okay? That's fine. Nope. All right. Before we start anything, I have to advise you of your Miranda rights. I hereby certify that I've been advised and understand my rights under the Constitution, which are as follows. I have the right to remain silent. If I choose not to remain silent, anything I say or write may be used as evidence against me in court. I have the right to consult with a lawyer before any questioning. I have the right to have a lawyer present with me during any questioning. I wish to waive these rights and talk voluntarily of my own free will in a court. Whether you want to talk to me or not, it's your right. I just need your signature here saying that I read that to you.
If I have a lawyer or...
This is just, you're not saying that you want to talk to me. This is just saying that I read this to you. So
I don't want to have a lawyer.
Okay, perfect. We'll document that. That's your right. I'm not offended or anything like that, but that's where we're at. So we're going to get the process started. You okay, man?
Ready out there?
I'm so bad.
That cop couldn't.
Because you said the first thing in the family.
I don't blame you, okay?
Hold on. That was perfect.
Ready out there?
Because you said the first thing in the family.
I don't blame you, okay? But I have a job to do, and that's why we're here. So.
Does that feel like sin? And take a picture, right?
And eventually, yeah, not right now. It'll be in a little bit, so you can clear your head, all that kind of stuff. They're gonna input some stuff into the computer. We'll leave this door open. When we're ready for you, we'll let you know. Just have a seat right here. When we're ready, we'll let you know. Okay. Yep.
The suspect was taken into custody and charged with 1 count of aggravated identity theft involving a victim over the age of 60. Be sure to subscribe and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments down below.
That's so funny. I love that officer's face.
Multiple 911 call.
Hold on. Wait, who is this? Who is this? Who is this? This is Midwest Safety. Hold on. Look, body cam tube.
On June 13th, 2026, officers were dispatched in response to a reported domestic incident.
Right there, they probably saw something what happened, but
out here?
Yeah, my wife came over there. I was watching my son.
Okay.
She asked me, "Oh, can you watch him tomorrow?" I'm like, "I can't watch him tomorrow. I gotta work." She like, "Oh, you say you're gonna help him?" I'm like, "I can't." She get mad. She take my son. She come out here. She act like she finna leave. Then she said, "You know what? You keep him." She come back in, push my son inside, close the door. So I get my son. I walk this way. I come meet her right here. I open the car door. I set my son inside. While I'm trying to set my son inside, she pushing the car door, like I'm in between. She pushing the car door at my back. Then she kicking the car door. Then she punched me in my back twice. So I come right here. I walk right there. She get back in the car. She get mad. She go open the door. She come back. She snatches the car door open. She grab my son, throw him down right here, and pull off. That's what they probably saw. They probably saw all of that. Yeah. So I walk right here. She circled back around. I got my son. I'm on the phone with the dispatch lady. While I'm over there on the phone with the dispatch lady, she come over there. She punched me 4 more times, kicked me twice while I got my son. She snapped. She punched me in the back of my head, on my arm. She kicked me in my back. She snatched my son from me right there. She jumped back in the car, threw him in the car, jumped back in the car, and pulled off.
Where'd she go? Where'd she live?
She live on Staccato. She told me to tell y'all, catch her when you can. But if you ask those people right there sitting under the moon dog sign, they probably they probably saw everything. It's like an ongoing thing with her.
Okay. Do you guys have a no contact order in place?
No, we ain't got none of that.
Why not?
We had
because this doesn't sound like it's healthy.
We had one. Before.
What's up, brother?
We had one previously. It was took off because we were trying to work things out. She living on Staccato. I'm living down here. I've been helping watching my son every day this week. I told her Sunday I got something to do. She get mad. She off on Sunday. She get mad because I told her I couldn't watch her and just blow up. This is not the first time y'all done came over. This is like the second or third time y'all done been over here because she done called them. I done called them. And this time
they told us that there was some history.
This time they got physical now. She put her hands on me multiple times.
So what does she drive?
She driving in a silver Honda
or
Accord, an old Accord.
An Accord. They're giving us the wrong address at first. They gave us Olivia Street for some reason.
Yeah, but see, if I would have did it, she'd have put me in jail. And she done put me in jail before for stuff like that. She done lied on me before and put me in jail. But this time, she actually put her hands on me. I know them people saw it, but it happened right here. Okay, because when my son was sitting here and I came back walking down to come get him, I looked over there and they over there just watching. Like, she know I got to work at 5, and she put me through
5 today.
Yeah, I work at Outback. I'm a chef.
Okay. So obviously you said she lives in Staccato, so she doesn't live here with you anymore.
She don't live here. She just basically dropped my son off in the morning and then leave, go to work, and then come pick him up.
You guys don't have any kind of custody agreement as of right now?
No, we don't have no custody agreement. Nothing, but I've been watching like when we did have a no contact order. The court told me Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. I've been watching them every day this week.
only thing I told her was I can't watch them Sunday because I got something to do. She just blow up. I watched them every day. Last week I watched them. She brought them on Tuesday, didn't answer the phone until like Friday, Saturday. I watched
how
them
old
all. He 3. I watched them all them days. I'm calling on the phone. She don't want to pick up the phone. She don't want to answer. I'm hitting up. She don't want to answer nowhere. Won't respond back, nothing. And I watched them with no problem. I've been watching them every day. I asked them for one day. It's a problem. One day. I don't understand. Like I work just like you work. Like what's the problem? I've been busting my ass and watching him. Like we supposed to be half. I understand we separated right now. You living up there, I'm living down here, but we still gotta be half. She's sitting here steady coming by my house calling problems. Like the last time she came over here, my mom told her she don't want that around here.
Yeah.
Because like we could get in trouble for being over here, for being in housing. This is the third time she came over here with nonsense. The third time. We can't go to her house and do that. She had a sheriff right there waiting for us. It's like, why you coming down here causing a problem at our house? I told him, I'm done with it, man. You don't put your hands on me, man. I'm not going for that. You going to jail. Simple as that. You ain't got no reason to put your hands on me. I ain't touch you. I ain't did none of that. What you putting your hands on me for? What you kicking the car door? I'm sitting there trying to put our son in the car. Why you kicking the car door while I'm in between it?
So she was kicking. That was her car door.
Yeah, she was kicking the car door while I'm in between the car door.
Actually, some states now are charging it automatically as child abuse. I think it is. It's either neglect or abuse, but I think it's abuse if it's done in the presence of a child, which I'm all for. I totally agree with it. Because you are permanently causing trauma to that child. What, baby? Hi, baby.
Okay.
And I know these people. I know they were watching everything. I know it.
Well, where was the car? The car parked here?
Right here.
It was parked here, and that was okay.
Right here on the corner of the park.
Where she hit you a couple times in the back.
Yeah.
You were further down that way.
I was down that way.
Okay, so they would have seen the car part, but not that part.
Yeah, they would have seen the her hitting me right here, but they ain't seen her hitting me down there. But it was some people down there like driving across when she was hitting me.
They're not there now, though.
No, I'm telling you, I'm sure these people saw a lot of what went on because they over there, they over there talking about. I'm sure they seen a lot.
Well, I mean, there were 2 people sitting here.
Yeah.
They can't. They showed up after. Okay.
See, because she was parked exactly right here. She was parked exactly right here when it was going on.
You got any other family down here with you? Or are you?
I'm a local. I got.
Well, I'm talking about if you were to take this to court, right, and try and get custody, are you trying to get
Yeah, I mean,
because it's
9 times out of 10, they gonna tell her she gonna have a no contact because he was involved when this happened. So they gonna tell her she can't be around him anyways.
Well, so what I'm saying is, from the sounds of it, is this is the 3rd or 4th time this has been going on. We need something put down in place.
Yeah, I got
when you go make exchanges.
Yeah, they told me the same story you did.
So
they were all pretty tripped by it. It's like she threw the kid down too. And I know you mentioned that.
Do you have any injuries?
No.
Oh, take her to jail.
They said one thing that I'm trying to clarify. They said she was trying to close the door, but somebody's
I was in between it. I was in between the car door.
Okay.
And she was kicking it and pushing it.
Okay. So you were the one in the way, not the child.
I was in between the car door trying to put my son in the car seat. And while I'm doing that, she pushing it and kicking it. While I'm like this the whole time trying to put him in the car seat.
Okay.
We gotta get a lethality assessment.
Oh yeah, I'll do it.
Yeah, we got a few questions. We have it's called a lethality assessment. It's required by Florida law now that we have to provide this.
Hey, guess what? You're gonna have your kid for a few more days at least, sir. Sorry.
It does fall under domestic. You guys have a child in common. So even though you're separated right now, you're still domestic.
All
right. It shouldn't take. It's got a few questions in there, and basically yes or no questions. And we'll just go down the list, answer them for us, and then. So when you were there, was it door was hitting you in the shoulder somewhere
No,
here?
it would hit me like
on the back.
like in the leg, in the back area. Like
Okay.
she was just like kicking it, and it was like I was leaned in, so it was just like.
Could you raise up the lower back so I could see if there's like any like markings? Okay. All right. I don't see any.
Yeah, it was like while I was leaning in, it was just.
Yeah,
like,
it was
hit
probably
me.
like the handle part, like the plastic piece
Like
there.
it was just like I was like a wedge, like it wasn't able to close. So
Yeah.
she was just like boom, boom. It was like boom. I got to go through this right before work.
Listen, I mean, I know it's probably not something that you want to have to deal with, but
She calling me now.
She's calling now?
Yeah. I don't want to talk, man. You're going to jail.
No, I answered your question, but I got censored. He was trying to hook the child up in the car seat, and while he was leaning in the vehicle, hooking the child up in the car seat, she was kicking the door and pushing the door on him so that he was getting physically assaulted by the vehicle door.
You going to jail.
What was she's asking for his shoes?
Yeah, like I got his shoe. I don't got his shoe. He had everything on him.
You're really gonna want to take this up with the courts and figure something out, some sort of agreement, whether it's you have to do it in a public place where you guys make an exchange. That way things like this don't escalate and get to, and then something was written down on paper. So you have him certain days, so Monday to Wednesday or whatever you said, Monday to Friday, like whatever they can come up with. If you guys want to still share the custody, come up with some sort of agreement. That way in the courts, that way we have something where we can assist and prevent this from going on and happening anymore. Especially if this is the third time.
It's been more time than that.
Yeah, well, I mean, that's the third time that we've been called from what you were saying, that we've been out here. So it's something that we don't want.
Who does she live with?
She live alone.
Huh? Live alone? I'm going to tell you right now that based on what you're telling me and what they're telling me, she's going to end up going to jail there.
That's all right.
Okay. I'm saying there's a kid there. Is there?
You can bring him here.
Yeah.
My sister here, she'll watch him till I get on work.
Yeah, we'll see if we can find and go from there, all right?
This shit crazy. This shit crazy. Ow, I just made them just tighter. You forgot to lock it.
Yes, signal 14, my body cam died a while ago. Probably in the middle of the
Ow. You forgot to lock the handcuffs.
Oh, they tightened up?
Yeah.
Well, we're going across the street.
Can you at least play some music, please? Like, just play some, like, Skrilla Swerve.
Skrilla?
Yeah. By G Herbo. And make my ride to jail a little nice or something, please. Dios mío. Wow, and I've been going to church and I've been doing good and I've been praying and I've been succeeding, you know. I got my license for a nail technician. Like, I was really being a bad bitch. You feel me?
You look like you were doing great.
I was, but it's always with him. Look at all my records, bro. It's all with him. Everything's with Timothy. Swerve. By G Herbo. And Skrilla. The underneath, yes. And put that shit loud as and just let me think about life. Sorry, I don't mean to be demanding. What? Let's make this shit go viral.
Jacob, Hawk spit about the whip, swerve. Jacob, Hawk spit about the whip, swerve.
Smooth ride, huh?
Yeah.
Bad. And the worst part was that the worst part is that what? What'd you say? Save what?
Well, that song.
Oh yeah, Skrilla is pretty cool. So what is the process? It's been like 2 years since I've been up in the
Process.
And who's working right now, Rodriguez?
I don't know who's working. I don't work nights. I haven't been.
Why would you arrest me out of both of us? I thought I was your dog.
You was. I mean, it's still are, I guess. But I mean. Like,
so we still are friends? Yeah, are you sure?
Yeah.
Can I take my seatbelt off?
Hold on.
And no one is time. Every day some new shit. Beefing with my life still rich. Hey, $500,000 whip. I'ma be in jail forever. The ass gonna get it. You know, he just sad because I don't want to be with him no more, you know? He's just sad because I don't want to be with him no more. Like, I'm doing way better than him. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm doing better without him.
What happened today probably looked pretty bad.
The suspect was charged with domestic battery. Her case is currently pending.
How fast do you think this is going to get dropped? Do you really think the charge is going to get there? I am a multi-millionaire. I promise you, I can take this as far as you want.
When a famous YouTuber and his crew are arrested, it seems like the end of a harrowing day. But the events that unfolded leave some officers wondering just how far people are willing to go to film content.
I don't understand all this, dude. Something so stupid over some, like, YouTube views.
The dispute begins around 10:49 a.m. on June 22nd, 2026, when a man named Joe contacts Woodhaven police officers from a local McDonald's in Michigan, claiming that his nephew and his friends are stalking him. His nephew is 30-year-old Kenneth Chambers, who runs the YouTube channel Skeeter Gene, which currently has around 2.5 million subscribers and is well known for doing sting operations. Joe tells the officers that Skeeter and his friends have been following him and filming him throughout the day. Over the past several months, Skeeter has amassed millions of views on his channel by posting videos about his uncle. But Skeeter and his friend and collaborator, 25-year-old Gideon Adams, a popular YouTuber best known for high-energy prank videos, social experiments, and comedic vlogs before transitioning into true crime content focused on exposing criminals through sting operations, have a reason for following Joe wherever he goes.
For the past decade or so, he's been financially exploiting and abusing my grandmother, who was also his mother. And before that, he was doing the same thing to his grandmother, which is my great-grandmother.
Skeeter explains that despite repeated warnings from the family, his Uncle Joe refused to leave his grandmother's house and had been squatting there for months. So he decided,
I was going to go over there and kick his ass myself. But then I thought, wait a minute, I have a YouTube.
Wait. Sorry. Code Blue Cam is another one that I can't run. I tried to hurry back as quick as I could. I'll put the link in the description for this particular video, though. Oh, maybe I can get away with it. Oh. Did they play music? Aw, shit. Well, well, there goes this stream. The bigger channels, Cold Blue Cam, Midwest Safety, they ding people when people play their content. And I've lost on fair use dings before. I don't know if y'all remember that video that I showed with that cat that swatted at alligators or crocodiles, whatever it was. I spent 7 hours editing the content that night. And come on, go get off the screen. I spent 7 hours editing the content that I streamed that night. And then we had our little coffee clutch and hangout. And I showed a video where a cat swatted at an alligator. It was an 8-year-old video. It lasted like 12 seconds. And the people who posted that video copyright dinged me, and I lost the appeal. Even though all of the content of the video, other than that one tiny little clip that I followed all of the fair use rules on, I lost. They always try to go with the original poster for winning those kinds of cases. So, yeah. Oh, as long as you couldn't hear the music, I don't know. We were a minute and 46 seconds into it. I was trying to hurry back with it's when Ava realized that how bad it was storming, she suddenly decided that she didn't want to go out. So I quick went potty myself. I figured, okay, well, it's already a potty break. So yeah, it does suck. It does suck. And I get it though. I mean, they put so much work into their videos. They really do. Code Blue Cam, Midwest Safety. I am not by any means saying that like the work that they have done is, you know, that I should have any kind of an entitlement to playing it. But I will say they should have to follow the fair use laws just like everybody else. You know? Yeah, I am. I'm the little guy. So yeah, that's the long and short of it. Y'all know I don't do this for the money. I mean, heck, I posted on Discord, I was showing one of my videos that got demonetized, and it clearly showed how much money I make each stream. And it was like, you know, 46 cents here, you know, $1.50 here, you know. I really make less than $2 a stream. So yeah, when people, that's why I get such a kick out of it when people say I only do this for the money. but there was one that I made $15 and like some cents on it because Otto sent me a super chat that night. Those are the only things that I really get paid on. So on a $20 super chat, I get $15. So but I never got into this to make money on it. I never got into this going, I'm gonna be a big YouTube star. No, I got into this because I wanted to hang out with my friends and watch cool court videos. And I kept finding cool court videos for other streamers. And there was nobody streaming in this time slot. So it just worked out that way. I didn't start this to make this my career. It just happened. And I wouldn't go back. I wouldn't change it for anything. I absolutely love every one of you guys. And that is not me making anything up. That is 100% truth. I am so grateful because I don't really have a life outside of this. I don't have a partner. Oh my gosh, Otto. Thank you, sweetie. You are so sweet. Oh. Thank you. I make millions of laughs and millions of smiles. Doesn't that count? This is really just a labor of love. This is me giving back to all of you guys who have brought me so much joy and so much happiness. And you know, why should I spend 7 hours making videos for someone else to stream them? No, this is my community, darn it. All right, Jerry wants me to show a picture. I posted it on YouTube earlier today, but just in case y'all have not seen it, hold on, I gotta load up the Discord. I got my coffee order in the mail. 12 pounds of 8 o'clock coffee. Whole bean, of course. And the cats. The cats. So, here we have Snitch, of course, being the first to jump in. And it posted that one twice. And then Billy, he snuck up here. And you got Billy peeking out here and Snitch peeking out here. Now you can see both of them a little better. And then Snitch jumped out and walked up to Ava and gave Ava a kiss. It's so sweet. Snitch does that. He tries to give all the animals kisses. It's so cute. All right. I absolutely will. I will post that link. Here's one. Police cam. Uber driver calls police on passenger after she attacks her boyfriend. And this is police cam. Whoa. What did I just... Oh, no. Wait. Oh. Oh. I thought I closed the StreamYard tab. No, I just clicked it.
On June 18th, 2026, officers were dispatched to a residence after an Uber driver witnessed a physical altercation and contacted law enforcement.
Yeah, we got one down there.
Are you taking home?
No, you stay there. Just watch her for a second.
I got.
All right. I'm Officer Davis, Key West Police Department. Explain to me why I had to come all the way out here, out of the city.
So I got an Uber here.
Okay. Do you live here?
No, that's my boyfriend's house.
Okay. So you don't live here?
No.
Okay.
He was in my house where he lives.
Okay.
And I came here.
So he lives in 2 locations? Interesting. Oh, carry on. I didn't know you could live in 2 places at once. But...
Me neither until I'm a male.
Gotcha.
I'm a female. I can't do that.
Okay. So what occurred between you two? Like,
he left my house and he says, I don't really have to do this. We really have to do this right now.
Yes. Yes. We are conducting an investigation that I had to come all the way from the city to assist county with. So yes, we are doing this right now. All right. And I just need your
So
side.
he left my house.
Okay. He left your house.
And that's my boyfriend's.
Okay.
So I'm coming here to his house. He told me to come to.
So he told you to come here tonight. He told you to come here. Okay.
So I walk upstairs and now this.
So I'm listening to what you're saying, but I feel like you're leaving out some big key. Something happened. Something occurred in between you being in Key West at your house
him
and
living
you getting.
at one place and then coming to another.
No. You're missing out. There's something missing of importance from what happened back at your place
violence,
in Key West.
Absolutely no violence.
And you coming over here. Well, there had to have been. If not, we won't be here.
There was a reason
That's why
why
I'm
we were
so
called.
confused.
Okay. Did you call 911?
Absolutely not.
Okay. Well, somebody called 911.
Did you drive here, ma'am? Because you sound absolutely intoxicated.
And that's why we're here. And now we have to conduct this whole entire investigation to figure out what's going on. So I've kind of got your side of the story, which there's some bits and pieces missing, because from you being at your house, coming over here, at some point in time in the middle between those two, somebody called 911 because there was something taking place. So we wouldn't be here if nobody called.
Well, like, do you think I would absolutely not do that?
Okay.
Like, I'm in my house.
Did you guys get into an argument?
At my house?
At your house, here? At some point, did you guys get into an argument today?
Yeah. No, we didn't. Here, yes.
Okay, and
But am I supposed to be here?
have you been drinking tonight?
I was like way earlier today. Way earlier today.
The reason why I'm asking you is because you're not making any type of sense right now. All right?
None.
And
I was drinking.
all I'm trying to do is get your side of the
I was
story.
drinking at about 5 p.m. today.
Okay.
And you saw everything that happened.
Well, it's hard to say I saw everything. I mean, I witnessed what was going on.
What happened? What did you see?
Well, she went up the stairs and he came out. I didn't even see him come out. All of a sudden, there was two people there, and there was a lot of pushing and shoving. And
Who started it?
Huh?
Who started it?
I really don't know.
Did you see? So you seen both parties pushing and shoving?
Say, I can't give you my opinion, but she
you
came
didn't.
here
ID.
Oh, I'm sorry. She came in here hot, like she was coming for a problem.
So you think she could have been the aggressor?
Is that my license?
Yes.
All right, because I just can't.
You think she?
Yes.
You can't get in trouble for drinking. That's why I'm not. I'm just.
Right, I didn't
I'm
drive.
just asking you that question because I'm asking you.
admitted to you.
I'm asking you very basic, simple questions.
I admitted to
and
you I was
can't-
drinking
you
at around
can't
5
answer them.
p.m.
So again, I feel like a part of this story that you're leaving out.
I was at my house.
Okay, you told me that already. You then stated
He invited me here.
you said that he invited you
My
here.
Uber brought me here.
Your Uber dropped you off here. All right. So what
And
happened?
now all these calls.
No. When your Uber dropped you off and you went inside, what happened from the time that you stepped out of your Uber and you walked
I
inside?
already know what happened.
I don't. That's why I'm asking
Yes,
you.
you do. Yes, you do.
I don't. I'm not a.
What do you think this happened from?
What? Can I see?
You know, it's my fault
Let me see.
because I'm on ongoing property.
What happened? You got a little scratch
I
there?
don't know. I fell on the stairs.
Okay. So you're saying that he pushed you down the stairs?
I never said that,
So you fell down the stairs.
but I wasn't supposed to be here, right?
You tripped down the stairs.
Because I'm drunk, right?
Oh, I didn't say that.
You just said.
I asked you if you were drinking because I'm asking you very basic questions that you cannot answer. That's why I brought up the alcohol. Because when I'm talking to somebody who's not drunk,
I don't want to answer anything.
they can answer very basic questions. It's that simple.
I think she came here to confront him and start what happened.
Okay.
He did his best, from
Give me a
my
second.
opinion, from what I could see.
Come 2104.
Huh?
Give me a second.
Yeah. He did
I have
his
a
best.
Florida D driver's license when you're ready.
You just let me go home, please.
No, you're not going home right now. That is not happening, unfortunately.
So I'm gonna get arrested for this.
Nobody said you're getting arrested. Did I say you were getting arrested? But part of our job when we come out to these type of calls
I'll
is
put the cops on this.
I have no idea. I work for Key West, the city of Key West. This is county. They needed assistance, so they contacted us. That's why I'm here. I have no idea what's going on, and that's why I'm trying to get your side of the story.
And so you didn't see anything, but you know, as you're traveling, as you're bringing her here, she was the aggressor.
Well, the last 5 minutes of her conversation, yes, she was coming here and she was motherfucking this and motherfucking that.
Okay.
And when I got to the house here, she said, "Please wait. I might need a ride back home." So I waited, and everything happened on the porch outside the door of his house.
104 copy. Thank you, sir. Going back to 1.
I didn't see her. When he came out, I didn't exactly see why he came out.
Yeah.
But he was trying to get her away from him.
Okay.
He got her down the stairs twice, and she went back up the stairs.
Okay. Okay. All right. Perfect. All right. Thank you.
You don't have an ID, or you left it?
I left it at home. I'm pretty sure you arrested me.
Maggie. Yes, I have.
If I have any other questions, I'll give you a call back.
Yeah.
I know you're working, you're making money right now, so I don't want to slow you down. So if we have any other questions, we'll give you a call, okay?
Right.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah, to say that he did his best not to be violent with her, but he didn't do a great job of it either.
Yeah, but she was the aggressor. She came here. Does she live here or she's her boyfriend? All right, perfect. Okay.
Oh my gosh, you guys, I have to pause it for 1 second. Let's It was Kitty's opening gift wrapping, and this is just for you. And it was from Charlie. He sent me a $20 Venmo super chat. Thank you so much. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it.
Okay, and he brought her down the stairs a few times, and he wasn't trying to be aggressive with her.
No, he was trying to dismiss the problem.
Okay, thank you.
There seems to be a reoccurrence here where this is my second time out with you for kind of the same exact type of call.
I didn't call the cops, first of all.
Well, somebody did.
Second of all, I didn't drive. I didn't do any of this.
You've been parked there, bro.
I was talking to the witness.
Oh, there's a witness.
He saw everything.
That guy in the car?
Yeah, he was the Uber driver. I got his phone number.
And what did the witness say, Officer Williams?
The witness,
Yeah. No, I'm off.
The witness said that she was the aggressor. He tried his best not to be physical with her.
I walked upstairs.
Yeah, and you walked upstairs multiple times. Ma'am, can I talk? You walked upstairs, and he tried to escort you down the stairs multiple times. He tried to escort you down the stairs multiple times. He tried not to be aggressive with you, but at the end of the
How am I supposed to have this?
right. Do you live there?
No.
Okay, so you showed up at this residence.
He invited me to come here.
He invited you to come here? Okay, so he invited you to come here. Supposedly, the witness said that you're on the phone, mother effing.
No, I wasn't.
I'm just telling you what the witness said.
So I guess this all started in the city originally. She lives on William Street.
Yeah, I've arrested her before for the same thing.
Gotcha. You guys might have criminal mischief charges. He's alleged to have in the city. He got into the verbal altercation over there on William Street. Said he had to spin her around because she was blocking from leaving. So he was able to leave, got home. He notices by his window that Uber pulled up. So he investigates to see if it was her. She comes up. He opens the door. He does not invite her in. She gets a foot stepped into the house. That's when he's like pushing her, saying she almost fell off the railing. He doesn't know how. Like, you saw the little dirt marks all over
on her.
Yeah.
No, I mean
a little bit. Like it's like this time, but she's got that injury, little blood spot and stuff.
Yeah,
she has saying because he was smacking. It's probably because her was smacking that windshield.
Oh, you know what? These sound like all of the details that she forgot to tell us.
Yeah, she got on top of my car. She broke my windshield. Sitting there banging with me.
Well, from my information, what I received was you were in you got here. You were angry about something. You got here, and it just went left.
No, he was on the phone with me before I came over.
I'm just saying, like when you went up there, were you angry on the way
not
here?
at all. I said he opened the door and he threw me down the stairs.
So like as soon as he opened the door, he just threw you down the stairs for no reason.
Absolutely.
Right.
Absolutely.
So she's saying that you invited her over.
No, I did not. No. She called me about 20 times. They have my phone. I told her verbally, don't talk to me no more. And I definitely did not invite her over. I just left her house. Why would I invite her over?
Gotcha. And what was when you guys were back at her house? How did this whole thing start?
She was just talking. She was just, because she's drunk, she started talking shit, this and that. So I'm like, okay, I'm not gonna listen to you because I don't have to.
Yeah.
I'm not about to deal with this shit because you're drunk. Not the first time this shit has happened. So I try to remove myself from the situation, and she brought it all the way here to my house.
So when you in the Uber in the ride over here, were you not angry? Were you not hostile? Were you not like mother effing?
I said I'm gonna go hang out. My my boyfriend left me. He asked me to come over, so I'm coming over.
So, but in the Uber car, were you not angry at all? You're just nice. You're happy.
I was like, I'm gonna like make sure that like he knows that like he can't leave his house, and I'm gonna come over here and like he had called me right before I had got in that Uber.
Right.
I was probably upset, but also it was like he was literally like texting me the whole time.
Okay.
You didn't want her to come inside.
No, hell no.
So you try to keep her out from coming inside.
This is my house, but this is really where my uncle lives.
I
do not want her inside acting how she is.
Yeah.
And my uncle's asleep. He's got to go to work tomorrow.
I got you.
Like, no, I'm not doing that.
So she goes upstairs. What did she? Did she knock on the door? Did she start banging?
Because I see the Uber pull up, so I'm gonna go see. I'm like, there's no way that she came over here. As soon as I open the door, she's like this far away from me, and she instantly just tries to lunge at me and try to get inside. I'm like, no. So I grab her, and I'm like, no, you're not coming in here for the same reason. My uncle lives here. This is my house. I didn't invite her over here.
Yeah.
And she's trying to come inside. Like, no.
Did she do this here, or this happened at her house?
That's happened at her house.
Why don't you call us?
No, I'm just trying to get away from the situation.
I got you, man. Yeah, you can see all the footprints.
I wasn't trying to get nobody involved until she came to my house.
Yeah, I got you, man. All right, hang tight for a minute. Let me make a few phone calls. I'll be right back. Hey, man. So, whatever happened here, because our jurisdiction, we're not out here. Obviously, we're in the city, so we can't deal with that portion. However, when it comes to your vehicle, if you want, do you want to press charges for the damage?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Oh, he's done.
All right, so
he is so done. This is like the perfect excuse for him to be broken up with her and be over it completely. Like, there is no reconciliation after this.
my sergeant, I spoke with my sergeant. Obviously, are you taking her for domestic or for batter?
Yeah, because someone's gonna have to go because they're punching and stuff.
Yeah.
So someone's gonna have to go.
So he said, obviously, we can't take her for the battery, but
Right.
he wants to press charges for the criminal mischief. So I'm gonna meet you out there anyway, so I can do the PAWFURM and everything, and then dealt with her the same thing last year. Actually, last year when I arrested her, she was with another guy. Maggie, I'm gonna read you something, okay? Please let me read this to you. Do not interrupt me, okay? All right. Having these rights in mind, do you wish to speak with me? Having those rights in mind, do you wish to speak with me? I have to ask you some certain questions.
Well,
Okay. Explain to me what happened to his vehicle. His windshield is completely smashed.
I'm not sure.
You don't know nothing about that?
I was at my house. I got in my Uber here.
Ah.
And I got here.
Okay. On the hood of his car, there's a bunch of footprints. There's also a footprint on the side of his passenger side window that would be consistent with your size foot. He also has a smashed windshield. Kind of see where I'm going with this?
Okay, so what am I supposed to say to you right now?
I'm giving you the opportunity to explain exactly what happened.
I left my house and came here in an Uber.
All right. You've already told me that. I'm asking you specific questions about his windshield.
I left my house.
Because I'm going to tell you, he's stating that you bashed his windshield.
Okay, so what am I supposed to say? He bashed my fucking arm. I did that to myself. I'm cooperating right now. I very am so.
Somewhat.
Like, I don't want anything to
You
happen.
see the difference. You see the difference between you and him is that when I asked him what's going on, he can sit there and articulate and explain everything that's happened.
I left my house.
When I asked you, all you keep saying is you left your house, you got in an Uber, you came here, and that's it.
The Uber driver said you started an argument when you're in the Uber. Like, so you were hot, like you were mad.
I said I want to see my boyfriend. He's telling me to come see him.
That's not what he said.
That's my boyfriend's telling me to come see him, and I did. So I came.
That's not what the Uber driver said.
And this is where me believing you or taking your word is kind of washy, because
Possibly, yes.
yeah, right. You know what, Maggie? I just looked it up in our system. I did arrest you for battery last year.
Maggie's gonna be in custody.
I'm gonna grab your phone, okay?
Guys, literally, what did I do? Literally,
Is there anything else on you, ma'am?
what did I do? Please
You're
stop.
arrested for battery.
Ma'am, is there anything else on you?
Are you serious? When I'm like bruised up, where's the other guy? Are you serious? Are you freaking guys? Please don't do this to me right now, please. Please, guys.
You're gonna get extra charges.
Do I have all
Put
these?
you in this car if
Maggie,
you don't get in this car.
sit down, please. Thank you.
Guys, I'm just like, bro, just hold it to me. Are you kidding me? Guys, please Please don't do this to me right now.
We didn't do it, Maggie. You did it to yourself.
I didn't do it. He threw me down the stairs.
Hold on before you close the door. All right, so Maggie.
You freaking kidding me?
Hey, listen to me, okay? So while county has their charges, all right, I also have my charges for criminal mischief, okay? So I'm gonna follow them out to the jail, and you're gonna be charged with additional charges, okay, from Key West PD. All right, you are getting charged for criminal mischief for the windshield because he wants to press charges, okay? So you'll get a charge for
So I don't get to
battery
do
and that criminal
anything
mischief.
with what he had just done to me.
All right, do you understand what I just told you?
No,
Okay.
I didn't do that.
The woman was taken by county police and charged with domestic violence. She was then taken into custody by Key West City Police and charged with criminal damage to property.
Yep, and she earned every bit of it. She earned every bit of it. And I got an Uber. I left my house is the new and one time at band camp. Oh, it seems like all of the toxic people have relationships. I mean, we saw the one gal at the Shell station that with the lost key. I mean, she was toxic AF. And I mean, he didn't want her to go to jail or nothing. Yeah, right? Exactly. Yeah, when you're that intoxicated, just stay at your house. And my boyfriend called. He wanted her to come there. Yeah, no, it's not like he cracked the door open and she barged in. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Fibbing it just a little bit. All right, guys. It's 3:00 in the morning. I started late, but I stayed late. So I'm gonna go now. Thank you guys for everything. Thank you for all of the generous super chats. You guys didn't have to. I really, really appreciate it though. I am so blessed to have you guys in my life. Be safe, be well, sleep sweet, and much love.